Mad people time, mad people time. Mad people time. Mad people time. Check, check. What's your idea now? All right, Jordan. Bumps it on the top right now. Energy, work now, work. Work now, work. I'm going to take with two-man woman tonight. I'm going to take with two-man woman tonight. Judah, your wife, I'm going to let you come talk to Ragashanti. Judah, your wife, I'm going to let you tonight. Ragashanti. Hold on, stop it, Judah. Judah, do you have me ready for work right now, man? Tell us, your wife, I'm going to give some consideration for left you come give Raga talk. All right, people, don't get it twisted. This is somebody I know. How long I know Julian? Probably like 20 or 30 years or whatever. So when they hear me run joke with my bridging them, don't believe me, I pass my place and I disrespect the program. That will never happen. This man understand me, know what I am about. Him know me is a madman. And when me start it back again, the Jordan. Run back in. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready. Jordan, stop. Jordan, stop. Jordan, stop it. Me no Jordan understand. Me no worry. Me go tell you where before we play the intro. Me I telling you where we are work with tonight. Is a thing named Choon for X. Choon for X. Me want to call in and sing a song to no X. Uno choose a song. Whether it's a song where make you know say you miss them, whether it's a song where make you know say you don't miss them, whether it's a song where make you throw a word for them because them the thief your money, whether it's a song where, listen to me, it named Choon for X. That's something I do already before. Something I want to start think about a song. One I go call in and sing for no X. And it, when I have to make up a song, you know, those is a tune, songs we make already, whichever song you want to sing. All right? Of course, you can't call about anything else you want to talk about, you know. Keep it within the framework of the show. This is a show for a release, is an alternative for all of the stress them out there and all these things and whatever. And we say laugh, learn, and grow. But we always have a little thing where we work with, don't? So that thing I named Choon for X. TamFam has don't know about this long time. Somehow no new now listen to probably don't know the road coach, so I tell them. All you do, you just think about a song what you know was applicable to your ex right now. So for example, somehow me I want to call, me feel a vibe to call that song we say like, let me see right here, let me see, me I try to think up a song where somehow me I want Carlina, me want thing and you know, I miss you, I really miss you, or something like that. All right, or yeah, one song will say, come back to me, or something like that. Or you want bantan them nastiness. Like, what I want to go again? What a DJ song you go again? When the man left and can't take back when he give you. Or something like that. Whatever. You understand, but it named Choon for X. So I'm going to call in, and I'm going to sing a song for an X. You choose a song. Whether it's a Whitney Houston song, a Baby Sham song, a Beanie Man song, a Luther Vandross song, one church song, one Rasta song, any song what you think reflect how you feel about your ex right now. Or whatever word you want to chew upon your ex right now. But I can run the intro. Send on the intro. Oh, yeah! Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time! Ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk of the King there. That's the reason I'm done with him because I see the boy out there.
What's a big respect to everybody online?
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl have beard with the same red one?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Because the girl
Let's
with the
go.
next said a story about the red Raga.
Ready up, ready up, ready up, ready. Ready up, ready up, ready up, ready.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering.
Jamaica, New York, Connecticut. Let's go, Jersey.
Ragashanti, I did
Mix up, daddy. Hallelujah. What you say, Cartel?
Ragashanti go on and on.
Fight.
Yes. Ragashanti. So you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crook.
Tambourine there, you know. Butterbean, big up yourself. All feeling massive, large up. Ready up. Hey!
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti life. Ragashanti life. Ragashanti life.
No, keep it up the rhythm, keep it up, don't drive down. Energy. Michigan, big up, Joan Code, big up. Bobby T in the building, alive. Bobby T, I want to go on, my general. Bobby T, you know, say you send me something, I know, for when me forgot look on that thing there, I not look on it, you know. Worry yourself, you know, my brother. Large up yourself. People big up on yourself, and my name Ragashanti, and me and my mama last fitness, and me at the wash belly. Large up on yourself, you know, big up all of my cold store people, my wood fire people, and big up all who used to tie out animal before no go school. Big up all who used to walk go school barefoot. Big up all who used to have to climb out some hill, one thing or whatever. Big up all who used to want to come home from school and go raid out some guinea tree. Some pang on a tree, and I jump people fence and go up on a mango tree. And I drink and I get out some plum and all them something there. Big up all who know about for scour cestan. Big up all who back in the day when I go bathroom and I have to walk on a bath board. Because you don't live a tenement here. Judah, how them know about that something there? How them know about that something there? Big up all who used to live near a gully bank, and when rain fall and the gully bank overflow now for wait and just watch the water and all these things. I want to know about that something there. I want to know about that something there. Big up all who used to take Joey's bus and thing, and everybody a drive car now. We never grew up in that something there. Big up all who used to get plyboard, and we make borders, and we're glad when rain fall because we raise the ply. We make out the look at them, and we raise them in the gutter on the street, and it was a joy for we. Who know about that something there? You raise borders in the rain, dirty water, and the water never really, not dirty, not Junja water. Junja water different from street water. We no ramp in a Junja water. Junja water condemn water. But street water, we ramp in other water there. And we'll you get plywood and we cut out, you look at board ass them and whatever, this and that and way. Big up all they used to brush off the leaf off a coconut tree, strip off the leaf part, leave the bamboo part, touch one little, make one little thing, a little white name, the loop thing at the end of it, and then we put it over a lizard and dry it, and we catch a lizard them and hold them and watch them. Who know about that something there? How would them know about that something there? And we had catch our gonglies and all them something and run down the girl them and thing. Big up all of the man them when we were there at school, we used to get out one little glass and call the girl them and talk to her. That time the glass step on our foot, and when them stand up and thing, we look on the glass and we see the color of them panty, and nobody could tell us how no sex we have. Nobody could tell us how no sex we have, brother. So who know about that something then? Who know about that something? Big up all used to play Dandy Shandy. In a man take a be over that side, they wanna call it sight. Big up all used to play Stocky and all them something. Big up who know about Asherman thing and Jackass Khan and them something. Big up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself. Big up who know coconut jobs and greater cake and all them thing there. Big up on yourself. Big up all who used to eat scald egg back in the day. Scald egg. You basically hot up the egg, because of that. You basically hot up the egg and crack it up and think. Judah know them something, Judah Rasta. And them man are right, and you know say egg and a vegan something, so I'm not touch them thing there, but big scald, you crack the egg at the top and you throw a little salt in that and drink down that and them a trick we make you think say that did good for you and all them something there when I know say we did a mash up our arteries them time some bad cholesterol and all them thing there, whatever this and that. No. Big up all used to take common entrance exam. Now what GSAT and all them something. Big up all who know about GCE and JSC and all them something. Big up all of the adult people them who put shame one side and they go back to Jamal school because you know, never the two, get the opportunity for balance upon the thing and whatever. Yeah? Big up all of the people them who used to burn out diaper and now the whole hour running pan it and it normal now. Because back in the day it was just straight nappy. We never know nothing in diaper. Alright? Big up all of the girls them who used to wear underwear plus bloomers. Big up all of the women them who couldn't go road unless you did have an underwear plus on a slip. Because Queen Elizabeth telling us her son did have to dress and thing else you know decent. I want to know complete woman and them brainwash we and turn we fool right now. Right now, big up the woman them right now who more while and don't even wear underwear and just ear out and freshen up the thing. Nothing wrong with that. One with the elements. Hello. Big up all who used to take a thing named robot. Yeah? Which was the equivalent of minivan, no. Big up all who said when one robot come in with the name $250,000, the whole of it was Star get when we had $250,000, no. Who remember the vehicle? Who remember $250,000? Big up all used to take country bus and when we go country and whatever, and the bus a drive on the edge of the road, at the cliff, way down, and you there on the side, and you look down way down, and you say, Lord Jesus have mercy, travel with me and thing. Big up who know when you take country bus and thing, and a big load on top of the top, and the thing and all, about 5 man up there who load up the bus up there and thing, and the country bus all a lead on one side and thing. Who know about Uncle Sonny bus? Who know about Uncle Sonny bus? So used to go St. Mary and all them place there and whatever. Big up all who want to know a little bit, want to know about that Jamaican something here. Want to know go country, I want to know want to vomit. Your mother stuff up your chest with newspaper. Walade, Tambourine. Yo, I want them know about that something there. Now listen to me. Sidebar, a little bit of intellectual speak. Now, it has long been the case that in indigenous cultures they've figured out, it has long been the case that in many indigenous cultures they've figured out some sort of remedies to certain ailments through various forms of trial and error. Now, many of these remedies cannot be explained within the traditional scientific empirical paradigm. But what is unquestionable is that they did indeed work. And this was one of them. Don't ask me how it worked. But there was something about putting the... Judah, there was something, I don't know. But the people them were used to vomit all the while. When them stuff them chest with the newspaper, them no vomit again. Don't tell me how it work, all right? Big up all who used to beard with carbolic soap. And then you never have the money too tough to just buy more expensive soap. So when you buy Castile, you only use the Castile for special occasion when you not go look for a man or a woman and all these things or whatever. But the carbolic soap was during the week. See, the Sonia from Grenada. I said, what ya? And I think it was only in Grenada we have them things. I want Caribbean. I want to tell you, Sonia. Our destinies is tied together, Sonia, right? Which we share the similarity there in our history and our heritage, you know, with respect to the colonial imperial time and all them something there from them Western European countries there, which we're not happy with, but it make we there right and also make we give thanks to it and we make the best out of it. Done. All right? And from what you may tell you, big up roast dumpling. I don't know about boiled dumpling and fried dumpling. I don't know about roast dumpling. My mother used to love roast it in the wood fire or in the cold stove. Down at the ashes part. Big up all who used to have starlight when Christmas come and we go grand market and all them something there. Big up all who used to look on the junkanoo them and we know the character them. Belly woman, horse head, cow head, and probably the most famous one was Pitchy Patchy. And all these things and whatever. Big up the Jamaican culture. Big up all of the indigenous folk farms from Jamaica. We are talking about Kumina. We come from St. Thomas. We are talking about Brookings. We come from Portland. We are talking about Geribenta. We come from the Hanover side. We are talking about Quadrille. We are talking about my favorite, Dinky Mini. And big up the Afrocentricity and most of them something there. When no found to celebrate when festival come, but you don't want to celebrate the other people them who celebrate them thing there. And big up Rasta. Because I tell you all the while, Rasta make me proud of my broad nose, because I never know that something. Remember, I used to call donkey nose while I Calabar all age. And when them tease me, I stab them up with the fork and whatever, them send me go psychiatrist, because them say me too violent and mad. And nobody never tell me some nose it all right. Big up Dr. Orange who come tell me some nose all right. Big up Rasta who come tell me some nose it all right. And nothing wrong with my nose. I'm proud of my nose. And I can't feel good about it. You understand? And big up the Rasta them too, even though them they say Rasta and them not in a Jesus Christ thing or whatever, but them always tell me, say, no, your mother said go to church. Yeah, some of them don't believe that Rasta thing is some radical thing, one of the 8 people and all them something. Now, some don't believe that Rasta thing is this rebellious thing. Yeah, Rasta, you're supposed to be rebellious all the time. And Rasta mean defiance and war and all them something there. The Rasta them when we grew up with are some peaceful people. The Rasta them when we grew up with them securing of themselves. The rest of them will go up with them solid and centered in them thing or whatever, and if your thing or whatever. Right? No disrespect to Sister Kalanji, but remember one time Sister go up on our stage and go tear up a thing with Jesus Christ, and some Rasta man just drama and say, Sister, no, we're not in the white Jesus there, you know, but we're not in this thing for attack people either. So big up the Rasta them when they tell, go to school, man. Go to school and go to church. Your mother saying you go to church, go to church. And big up the man them from back in the day. When boy did a bad and thing and all, boy go box teacher, them go look for that. Your box teacher, boom, one shot in him foot, don't do it again. Big up the man them who did respect church back in the day. Why I broke and a man running and do, me see a man run going to church and the next man say, you go turn in there, you know. I bet you go live in there, you know why? Because him not going in there. Because the man them who used to respect nurse and teacher and all them people, untouchable, don't pass your place and don't rude to them. I saw it used to run back in the day. When the man them used to, what, you disrespect the nurse? You mad? Back, quarter dozen bucks. Or 6, don't do it again. Because the man them who used to run the road and say, you sit to me now. Don't disrespect the elder them. I see some little man I run the place right now. I see all a video and thing with some little boy. What old man just sit down outside. Him just sit outside. Him just sit down and boy, them a shot at the place. And the boy I run out and see the old man just sit down outside and I'm 70 and I shot him up, kill him and thing. I want it upon. Some of you know the thing you used to say, you know. Not that you never care, but yeah, I them discipline there. Right? We not celebrate certain things, but, you know, some man back in the day did have some principle, you know. He did have one big gunman in him, didn't name Kappa. The man didn't rob poor people. The man have a principle. He say, yo, if I can rob, we not rob poor people. It don't make no sense. Yo, you know what? Before we do tune for X, No, you know, so I'm going to do this Monday. Because I'm going to talk to you about 9 night, you know. So I wanted to request, boy, Raga, why you just explain out 9 night again and whatever. Because you know, say, I am a performer. This is what I do. I'm a love Jamaican culture. I'm a love explain and teach Jamaican culture to people. I'm a love when me do it my way. Full of energy, vibes, entertaining, engaging, captivating, and indeed, educational. Yeah. That's my thing. All right? Big up all used to make some lime leaf tea and all them something down when we get tea bag. We are starved. I take the tea bag there. Nobody could have chatted with them time there. Because you are starved. Anyway, you get tea bag tea. Which was nowhere as good enough as the bush tea. But you don't know them did have. We are turn we an idiot. No. Have we a rate up granulated sugar. Say it better than dark sugar. Because granulated sugar was the white sugar. The white sugar, which was stripped and reduced, forget it, whiteness, from the dark sugar. Them did really have a ton with an idiot, you know? Them did really have a ton with an idiot. And them days when I go up and say, yo, you know, say, I granulate to get the pretty sugar, the so-called pretty sugar. And big up all of the people who are cut out of something about pretty hair. Because if a certain type of hair are pretty hair, which is a Caucasian approximation, then it means that the ear that is not the pretty ear, an ugly ear, don't it? And big up all the people, them will lego them something the right, you know. You see? But anyway, with the pan, I think them tune for X in our night, yeah. You know, for me big up them right, you know. I move with the spirit, that's what the thing stay. I move with the spirit, so when I call him about anything, I want to call him about and thing and whatever, and when I can sing a tune for, I'm not trying to remember. Tell me a tune where give me a tune where have something to do. Identify somebody as a liar. Jordan, you don't know no tune where identify somebody as a liar. Judah, you don't know no tune where identify somebody as a liar. Eh? Who? Delilah. Yeah, no, that tune they apply to. Me have more complex with that tune they apply to Delilah. Now, which Delilah do? My father Delilah. Well, is it true we can't sing too tough or whatever? Yeah, I sing that for one of my ex them I think. I don't know all of my ex them bad. I have some good ex, you know. I have one ex them whatever, like she just loyal and you know, me have an ex, I go sing that. People, when me a tune for ex, you know if you can't sing, you know. Me just make you know if you can't sing. So me have an ex, you see. She boy, as she hears some head hurt me. Ready for, you know? Because I'm a gangster, you know. We're not too like medication and all them something and whatever, you know? But as soon as she hears something, whatever, she ready for come dead for me and thing and whatever, you know. And she never come from Jamaica, though, but that one, you know, the particular one I may talk about. She was just very caring and just very in tune to any shifts in my health situation and whatever. So you know which song I'm gonna sing for you? My night nurse. Only you alone can quench this your thirst. Yeah. But you know what Gregory did that talk about with night nurse, really, and really nothing to do with nurse, you know, but I could leave it right there. But we'll leave it right. Some people right now, let me see, all right. Let me say the first person who can call and sing a tune for them ex. The first person who can call and sing a tune for your ex. Right? The number from Jamaica, that is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you are called from the United States, including New York, of course, or Canada, the toll-free number, 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Christina Brown Sugar, you're in the chat. She said the tune that she would have sing to her ex. She said, is a track from Boys to Men, Doing Just Fine. Make him know, yes. Make it dirty boy know, because him thinks that when you and him did mash up, nothing not going to go on for you, don't it? You think that when you and him did mash up, you're going to end up like the New York City rat them. I run up and down from people and thing when you're in the fire, and all them something. But watch you now, you're doing just fine. But how that song they go? I don't know what that song they go. Bring in that call and let me hear that person you're going to sing the jada. Let me hear that person you're going to sing. It name Choon for X. Choon for X. Hello, caller, what's up? Hello? Hello? I want me need to turn up. Which one? This? Yeah? This one? This? Eh? Put it up. What? This? They didn't up? Oh, turn it on. Okay. Yes, Carla. Hello.
Yeah, what?
Greetings. Me there, man. You gonna sing a tune for your ex?
Yeah, man.
All right. Make we hear it. Sing a tune for your ex, you know.
All right. Please stop lying, girl, and see the truth. If you didn't love that guy, tell him you don't. Every night you're on the beach with another guy.
What?
And the poor guy works so hard to make you big and fat.
Bap. So when you say your ex, that go low, you know, so they are kind of juggle out the thing too much now.
Yeah.
See, the big tune. Big up yourself here, sir. Big up yourself, all right?
All right, brother, all right.
Yeah, man, I like how it start off. Sing a tune for your ex. Any song where you know, say, apply to where you feel about your ex right now, or where you think about them and that. So, next call. Hello. Greetings. Hello. Stop listening to the radio.
Brother.
Yeah, greetings. Yeah, man, wagwan.
I'm sure you're so hot.
You cooler, man. Work where I work and things. So what you say, I got sing a tune for your ex, you know, one of your ex, right?
Yeah, man.
Make we hear it. Send her.
You ready?
Yeah.
My girl is a good girl.
Why?
My girl is a great girl. You know.
Yeah. So the ex there was a good ex, don't it?
Yeah, man.
Big respect for that. So what you that the back with her, right, you know?
Yeah, you know, sorry. But that my girl there, you know what I mean? You call them girl, yeah, 1 in a million.
One in a million.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
We call them girl there.
Well, 1 in a million. You just said it, you know. 1 in a million. She's exceptional.
Virtuous girl.
Virtuous woman, exceptional.
She's a virtuous girl.
Yeah.
Virtuous woman, man.
So, well, on, if you could have get her back, right? If you could have get her back, you know, you'd have take her back. Well on. If your woman is near you, right? If your present woman is near you, right, you know, don't answer, yeah? All right, don't say, all right, leave it right there, so yeah. Big up yourself, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Tune for X. Sing a tune for your ex, yeah? Where? This? We good? All right. Tune for X. And that's how we're there, you know. Just call in and sing a tune for your ex. That we are work with tonight. Just sing a tune for your ex. Any song where you think, say, apply to where you think about your ex right now. Call in and sing that song. Then make we hear it. Right? Tune for X. If you call from New York or Canada, the toll-free number 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Call in and sing a tune for your ex. We have several ex, you know, so let me see which one could I apply to you know the white song, yeah? You're so vain, you probably think this song is about you. Well, I won't sing that song there again. I think my name was Carly Simon. I saw she name. You know that song there? Our white people song, you know. All right. And all right, no, and then Jamaica, all right, bring in the call. Hello.
No close, Raga.
What going too cute?
Me there.
Okay. Big up yourself, man. What you say?
Me I sing my song now.
You go sing a song for one of your ex. Me want to hear it too cute. Cause this I go hot. Send on.
Baby, when I met you, there was peace and love. I
Set out to get you with a fine tooth comb. I was soft inside. There was
something
going on. Sing the next verse, you know, sing it.
I set out to get you when I find to go. There was something in line. There was something going on. Highland in the streets. That is what we are.
No one in between. How can be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we could ride with each other. From one lover to
another.
Choon!
To each other.
Big Choon! The way the too cute to pull up. Choon! No man, a big tune you join a Dolly Partner and Kenny Rogers, you know. What? So you say you
blessed weekend, my love.
don't say another word too cute. You just turn over the thing, you're artist.
All
Them
right.
for know. All right. And we know, and based on what you tell me Wednesday, we know say you have on your underwear because you not join the ear out something that you tell me.
No, my love.
Okay.
No, my love.
That's right. All right. Big up too cute. Love and blessings here.
Yeah, yes, Ragashanti.
Yo, we used to love that Kenny. Hey, let me tell you, man, Jamaican, they love that Kenny Rogers and that Dolly Partner there, you know. Jamaica. Hey, for those of you who don't know, Jamaicans love them some American country music. I don't know where it come from or why, but Jamaicans love American country music, right? That's what they think there. Choon for, hey, hold on. If we take break, Jana? We're good? Okay, all right. Tune for X. Call in and sing a tune for your ex. I want to see if I say my belly. My belly. Right? No, that Kenny Rogers and Dolly Partner they did. Baby, when I met you, there was peace. I said I said out to get you with a fine comb. I was soft inside. There was something going. Next call, tune for X. Sing a tune for your ex. What are your ex? Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Wagwan.
Nothing much. How you do?
You know some heart in my belly full right you know one thing I mean I give thanks.
Last time we want to talk about you, Raga, Lord. I have a song to sing for you for my ex.
Yeah, sing a song for your ex, that's good. Make we hear it.
Magnify you one time, man, cause he can't get back for him. Done.
Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! What are they? Start it over, make it. Start it over and done the dirty boy. Start it over and done the dirty boy. Sing out again.
Magnify you one time, man, cause he can't get back for him. Done they give you. For you one time, man, because you find a good man. And
You know what? He might take care of it. Man,
Yeah,
big up yourself, man. We love that because the boy can't take back what him done the gear. And you have a good man right here now. You understand your life, no flop or nothing, and think things are going for you. Boy, I have to see you and make him head hurt him down.
Lord, Raga, when give me a 31-year-old son now.
Okay, and you give thanks to that, right? Because you love your son and thing and whatever.
Love
Blessings.
the son to the end of the world, yeah.
It goes some man proper and big up yourself here and thanks for calling and rinse that one day, yeah?
Yeah, I'm Bruce. I will tell you something. Find a good man. Love my man, Bruce.
Oh, that want to go?
Bruce, I must tell Raga, say, find a good man. I'm a love my man, Bruce.
You love your man, Bruce?
Yeah.
Oh, Bruce, your man name? Hold on. Tell me something, a Bruce Golding you talk.
No, man.
Okay. Me think you squeeze a piece from Bruce Golding, you know, because...
No, man. Me they call you already, Ragashanti. I tell you about your friend. But then I give them, they do the mix.
Oh, you mean Bruce? Friday the 13th, Bruce. Bruce. All right, then sing. All right, hold on. So you sing a song for your ex, though, but so sing a song for Bruce now. Just like a present song for Bruce. You know?
All right, I'm going to sing for him.
Yeah.
I am your lady, and you are my man.
Whenever
you reach for me,
yes,
I do all that I can.
Go ahead.
We're heading to somewhere.
Yes.
Somewhere I've never been.
Yeah. No. All right. You go on good. Big up yourself and big up your man, Bruce. Here. Bruce Wallace, big up yourself. The only Bruce where him name spell with an I in it. You understand? Yeah.
You see, tonight, I tell you I do.
All right, big up your general, man. You know I'm a brother that, you understand? All right?
All right, take care.
Mad thing. Blessings, man. Blessings. All right, the boss Jordan say we are take a break. I love the energy. I love the vibes. I love how it starts. We're going to break. We're soon forward. You see.
From Flat Bridge to the George Washington Bridge. From the top of the Empire State Building to the Blue Mountain Peak. From the Grill Point to Morant Point to Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, New York City. It's IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Down in the juggling, people. Down in the juggling. Once a big respect to the Bridge Nation in Jamaica, Bridge 99. FM in Jamaica, that's how the thing the large upon itself. Everybody locking down there now and the thing seal up certain way. Once a big up all of my man think of be people, them a flanker people, them a book people, them end on now with paradise now with an island place, the and thing large upon itself, anchovy and thing on the done know the thing set and whatever. Big up on itself. Big up all who love go down that road they will lead go down to which part the free zone place after you pass the police station. That look a dark road, enough found who love drive the car going on. I sort out down there, so I know down there, so I sort out down there, so 6 times already. 6 times. I don't know which road me attack. That look a dark road there. A man think about after you pass the police station, if you go down to that boss hotel and on your right, you have the whole of them free zone thing. That dark road there. Right, that's a, it's like some almond tree down there and whatever, this and that. It's a proper sort out road that. May I beg the police officer, them loud the people, and because sometimes when I pressure people, and everybody have no hotel fear and all them, something they and all them thing, that's sometimes something I for go on in a car. Harbour View police officers, loud the people, them when time, them go up on airport road and I sort out in a them car. Harbour View police officers, leave them alone. Stop hustling for the people, them. Portmore police officers. Judah, what a restaurant the name like, you go and you drive on back road and when you reach the roundabout there before the church and if you go left, and them sell fish down there. So what a road the name again? And what a road, like you come off a back road, you know. And you go and you reach a roundabout, but you know, go around the roundabout, you roll a left there. Somebody have to post it, man. I want proper sort out road. Rodney's arms, it's CM1. Portmore police, loud the people, and when them a dash out on the road, they go down a Rodney's arm. Portmore police, loud the people, and when them go buy fish, eat them fish, and then probably want to eat more fish. I will not take set for the people and man thing, yeah. Yeah, man, free up the people and make them do them thing. So all of them look a sort out area there, where go on and thing. We want to allow them. Gunman, stop troubling people and when time them a do them thing too. You understand? Okay. Because some people have the money like that. Them have to go a bush and tell say, baby love just hold a tree. Hug the tree. We could do this. All right. Why are tune for X? Tune for X. Call in and sing a tune for your X. All right. If you call from Jamaica, 876-546-9483. No, 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you call from the United States, 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Call in and sing a tune for one of your ex. Any tune where you feel reflect how you feel about your ex right now, and way in a way they think about them and think. Send on, next call, come on. Hello.
Good night, Rocka.
Good night.
Rocka.
Yeah.
You know that me think good, but me have two lady where pass on where mother request one witness use to them, but me can't sing them.
All right. Well, we know say you have your thing, your little limitations with your medical issue, auntie. But which Whitney Houston you that want to sing for your ex?
The one we say, I am missing you.
I am missing you.
Yeah, I'm missing you.
Right. I recommend somebody call in and sing that Whitney Houston, the Missing You. And which other one now? Which other song?
And you know, the one me no know word for word.
Yeah.
But the one mother sing to me. To the one where me there with no.
The one where you're there with no. Which one?
I'm lying alone with my head on the phone, thinking of you tonight. I wanted to see what I wanted to be. Know that out of my life. I no want to love when I'm without you all night. Me no know word for word.
Well, I don't want to say, I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. I think it's an ear supply, you know. It's a bad ear supply. I think. Big tune that. Right. All right, then. I say a word, you know. Big up yourself, people. And people, the caller, they go through some little medical thing and, he have some limitation in speech. So that's why he must say it that way there. And thing. What you say,
Raga.
Yeah.
You know where more ask so. The number for your two channel, a same thing, a same BTFM, yesterday, me did a watch, Tampan, no two, but me do one call, but me couldn't call.
No, the Thursday show upon Ragashanti TV, that's my thing. On Ragashanti TV on YouTube. That number there, my number that here. My show number that. That's my show number here.
If you can't take the number you from Jordan and call me later, make me get the call. Sometimes I want to call in.
All right, now say a word here. Jordan, lock that number there here. All right, then bless up here. All right, cool. General, original TamFam. Give me the next caller, right, Jordan. Why do you like that number? Give me the next caller. Hello.
One man can satisfy.
Well, sing. All right, tune for ex. Say, sing that tune for you. Start over the song where you sing for your ex. Start over, now. Sing it now. Well, yeah, him draw the highway and one man can satisfy her. She needs more wood for the fire. Sex craze getting higher. Yo, you know say some bun reaching, you know. You know say some bun reaching, general, you know. You know say some bun reaching, you know. Big up yourself, my boss. You don't have no shame. You don't have nothing for shame, man. No people don't want to admit it, but no. But the only way, yeah, I'm going to be honest with you. One way you have for shame. One way you don't have for shame. Is if the person who should burn you with was L.A. Lewis. If I'm not L.A. Lewis, the warrior say anything else about that. Anybody get any man have a woman and the woman burn him with L.A. Lewis yet? None of them go on for you. All right, next call. Hello. Yes, greetings. Greetings.
Raga.
Yeah. Robert, all right. Sing a
One.
Me day I know, my general. What you say?
One man can satisfy her.
Well on, Robert. Robert, stop. Don't sing a song with somebody else sing. Sing a different song for one of your ex.
Right. You ready for my song now?
Yeah.
She touched me. Oh, she touched me. Oh no.
Pull up. Tambourine. Hey, Robert, I'm a big tune you try right there. So why you pull it up, Robert? Start it up. Robert, sing it tune again for your ex, you know. Yeah.
And all my... You know, listen.
May I listen, man. Sing it again. Start it from the top.
She touched me, and all my joy come true.
Sing it.
Me.
Yeah.
Oh, she loved me. That girl really loved me. But I'm not giving the girl no bun.
Okay, all right, then a big tune, you know. Hey, Roberta, where you gonna dig up that tune there? A classic, you know. She touched me.
Yeah, our own music, you know?
No, man, for real, man. Them are young heads now gonna know them tune. Right now, Jordan don't even know that song there. Jordan, that's what the big deal. Him don't even know them song there.
I sing that one named Night Nurse.
Yeah, we sing that already, Robert. Don't. Robert, I say, hey, you can't repeat song we play already. You want to lose the sound class.
Get no love. Oh, money in my pocket and I just can't get no love.
I would that do that, no D Brown, yeah, big
D Brown, man, a D Brown, yeah, man.
All right, Robert, big up, Robert, what going over there in Lynch? Did everything good?
Big up Tokyo still, you know?
All right, it goes, man. Big up yourself, Robert, all right?
Yes, I call them, man. Dig them up.
All right, Robert, big up yourself, man. Now say a word. Okay, people, watch your levels right now. We just want to know, say, on Friday night, you know, when the show simulcast, right on IrieJam Radio, you're saying in New York and the metropolitan area. And also, it's broadcasting on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica and all through Jamaica. I just want to remind you, if you don't know yet, the Bridge 99 FM are the newest station in Jamaica. We are turn over the place right now. It cause all kind of trouble. When you know it's a bad mind start all kicking, you know things are going for you because people in a bad mind have nothing are going for you. Right? Somehow not going like say, things are going for you and hype up on yourself and nobody in a bad mind, you know. Right? If you think say you're a star and all these things, and you have a couple of people are bad man, you're not a star. No fun what things say, una this and that, una excel and nobody in a bad mind. Nothing I go and fear if you have somebody a bad mind. So you have some people start that them want bad mind the bridge and thing, and that is a good sign. That is a good sign. All right? A Good Friday, you know. Even the figure of Jesus and whatever him did have all kind of bad mind upon him and thing. Remember, you know, Pontius Pilate never liked Jesus because, you know, through Jesus' favor, like, you know, like them soap opera star and whatever. And Pontius Pilate did ugly and favor the donkey where Jesus used to ride and thing and whatever. And that's why he got crucified Jesus and all them something there, whatever. Him a wicked and Judas Iscariot and all them something there. And somehow go on like a general in the Bible, I notice every time when I put Jesus, when I make the other disciple them have the long hair and look like the supermodel them, and when I make hey, you notice them always I make Judas Iscariot look like one black Rasta man, when I wicked, I undercut Jesus slippers. Anyway, on weekend, on Friday night, we break at the top of the hour for 3 minutes. Because it's a 93.5 thing, you know, the mother station right here in New York. So we're approaching that now in 30 seconds. So we're going to break for 3 minutes and we're forward. I will want to maintain the energy. A decade me I do this. I know what I'm doing. So I just want to keep up the energy. My job is to create it and make it infectious so I want to feel it and reciprocate, meaning send back the same energy. Good radio we are talking about. This is about entertainment. And that's the thing there. So we're going to break right now. We'll soon forward, all right? So who need to go use them? Look at enamel chimney and them plastic chimney. Do so. We'll soon forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the juggling. I'm in here, Ragashanti. I'm here, Miss Cherry Wash Belly and thing who she used to be in the bad pan. That's before the plastic bad pan them come out. We used to have some iron bad pan at Jamaica. Yo, no found who I use all them plastic bad pan and them plastic chimney there. One time, them something that never exists at Jamaica. And I must think I joke me I make. Them something that never exists at Jamaica one time and some iron bad pan. You understand? Some iron bad pan and some iron chimney. And thing and the chimney, them all chip up and thing and whatever and all these things and whatever. Saying, people do remember say DJ Chris Cross, my little brother rolled through the place in the 90 and whatever. And him over that place, what? Him over Dave's birthday bash over Stars Palace on Merrick Boulevard. So when I left here, I go over there because I'm going to support him, right? I mean, I want nobody thinks I'm going to batch the thing because I don't want thinking about it squeeze me no money and another something there. And if anybody want to think that, when I come chat to me, make my cuss out on the nastiness. So here we are going. Yeah. So when I left here, so I go over. What is that place named? Stars Palace. That up on Merrick Boulevard in Queens, yeah. 23109. I walk go over the same way, you understand? And thing go support my brother. And me say Oxtail over there. You know, so Road International. And my brother, Rory Stone Love. You understand? Rory Stone Love over there and DJ Chris Cross. So I go over there after the show. Done and thing and support my general DJ Chris Cross. And I have to explain the link to when it comes to DJ Chris Cross. And I don't know that thing, how that's set. Big up all TamFamers and thing. And three lady come in our place, and I don't even know if them want them name mentioned, so I'm not going to mention them name and thing. But we just want to say TamFam to the world. You understand? Everything is everything. Watch it right. I just want to keep up the energy right here now, you know. We're upon Choon for X. Choon for X. Call in and sing a song to X. A long time we do that game, Raga come up with that game and thing, a TamFam thing or whatever. Just about it tonight, on that show here tonight and thing. So I just call in. I love the energy. I love the song them we draw already, you know. I love the song them we draw. You can't chew a word and big up for big up and chew a word pound for chew. You just find the right song. This. You just find the right song. Want to know. Send the right message. Want to send about on the X. And that's how the thing there, right? And remember, so now sing song want to know already, you know, what we know already and all these things, all right? Just want to remind you, the number from Jamaica, that number is 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. All right, give me a call, Jordan. Make we keep it up. Hey! Greetings. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, yeah.
Yes, hi.
Yeah.
Okay, my song is I've got news for you. I've got news for you.
Yes.
I've gotten over you. Been through the fire, through the rain. But I live to love again.
Pull up! Run it again! Run it again! Sing it for the dirty boy!
I don't remember some of it. But
don't worry. You don't have to remember the rest. I saw the gameplay. Just sing back the part where you just sing again. I just started from I got news for you. I know what you sing it again. Sing.
News for you.
Die.
I'm not in love with you. I've got news for you. I've gotten over you. Been through the fire, through the rain, but I live to love again.
Hey, hold on. So you didn't go through it. You didn't go through it with him when they break up, no?
Yeah, man.
You see?
Through it.
Yeah, and you get over that right now and things are going.
Get over it. And when I see him on the road, I sing it to you, you know.
Wait, when you see him on the road, you sing the same song to him, don't you?
I book him up a bank, I'm sing it to him.
I lie yet. You book him up a bank?
I sing it. I book him up a bank. And when I come out, I say, hi, I've got news for you.
Hey! Well, which bank you book him up, Scotia?
Yes, oh, you know so.
Don't think you back him up in a Scotia bank and I just see him, you say, dirty boy. And then you just knock him with the tune, though.
Yeah, man.
Big tune, me like that. Big up yourself here, enough blessings,
yes,
all right?
All right.
Yeah.
All right, take care.
Yo, that bad, you know, she see her ex. I got news for you. No more in love with you. Been through the fire, through the rain, but I live to love again. Big up all who overcome some bad breakup. Right? Some of you don't want to admit it. The wickedest breakup me going, me end up a walk on road like me a idiot, barefoot, put a Devon house, pan Waterloo Road and thing. My friend them did have to come look for me and say, what me to your mother and whatever. That time me I walk and ball, cause she left me. That time me young and young in the game, me and a gangster right now. No fun, no want to admit it, so no go through. So everybody go through like a bad breakup. Everybody go through like a bad breakup. Judah, you never go through a bad breakup before. All right. See there? And Judah, generally 19, right? Jada, you're probably too young. You're probably still there with your first real love right now. So, you know worry about it. I like it, though. Next one. Keep it up. Hello. I was sweet to make you laugh. So you come by the people in both the radio and I laugh. So, how
All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Amen. Make it the royal Tambourine. Amen.
No, hold on. Stop. You have to kind of, I think, you know the pan speakerphone, Bluetooth or earpiece?
No, man.
You know the pan, okay. I know which song you're singing, so like I want to name the Vanessa song. But sing it, you have to sing it clearer, because we're not really hear. Sing it, yeah.
Amen. Make it the royal Tambourine life. Amen. New morning with it tonight.
All right, that song there we go. Amen. She get the boy out of her life or whatever. You see, it not just recognize which song she sing. It never really. But big up yourself. You get rid of the dirty nastiness, yeah. Because him coming like chink. Nothing I go on film. One time chink did come and we don't ever hear about them again. You understand? Run with that. Yeah, all right then. All right, next one, the Jordan. Hello. Greetings. Choon Ph.D. Yeah, greetings.
Yeah, what going on, Raga?
You know, some man there you give a proper thanks and thing. You have a song where you going to sing for one of your ex, no?
Boy, two ex, you know.
Two ex you sing. All right, then. Sing for the first ex, you know.
These girls ain't loyal, you know. Chris Brown song that. You got to take it to the new generation.
Yeah, but you can't sing it.
These girls
Well on. No swear word not in it.
No.
Okay, all right. Yeah, sing it for the first one. This one, the first ex. These girls ain't loyal.
Yeah,
Chris
man,
Brown.
these girls ain't loyal.
Yeah.
Just got rich. I say go on. Nah, but not too deep tonight, man.
No, but you have at least sing about 4 lines. I saw the game playing. But all right, we could leave that. The next one. Sing for the next ex then. Sing for the next ex.
The next one is Ayo. We don't know the full line for it, man, but don't need them, you know?
Okay, all right. It can't, the way we work it, though, you have to kind of sing it and thing. But all right, big up yourself here, sir.
All right.
All right. We just want to remind you, callers, that the whole objective of the thing. Remember, you don't have to sound good enough. You don't have to sound good enough. The idea is you're singing a song where you think accurately reflect your present impression of your ex right now, all right? It may mean you praise them, it may mean you done them, it may mean something neutral, whatever it is. You know a song right now. Just sing a song where reflect your ex. Next caller, hello.
Yeah, Raga, you ready for me song?
Ready for your song.
All right, man. Yeah, hear this one now.
Yeah.
She tell me she love me. And so she tell me, and so she say. She tell me she love me. And so she tell me, and so she say. She tell me we were gonna be together. And so she tell me, and so she say. Like one bird, like one feather.
Yeah.
Lord have mercy. She tell me she love me. And so she tell me, and so she say. But little did I know she was a cheater. Lord have mercy. Such a pretty girl, a deceiver. Yeah. Wasn't anticipating I will lose her.
Yeah.
I choose she tell me she love me.
All right, my general. Yeah. So she did tell. Well,
she gone. Where did she go?
Well on there. Artist.
I really don't know.
Artist.
I miss
Artist. Artist.
Yeah, I got that one for you, man.
Well,
Listen.
yeah. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. Why you didn't really get in it, though? Tell her she love you and think on them bunny and... Oh, God. She wickedy. She wickedy. Big up yourself. All right, then, huh? Yo, I want to show an answer tonight. Me can't bother. All right. Next one, Jordan. Keep it up. We are going energy. Work me, I work. I'm here the stamina daddy around here. Them for no. Say that. Hello. Next one. Next call. Hello. Carla.
Brother.
Yeah, me there, man. What you say?
What was?
Me there, I give thanks, you know. What you say?
Sing a song for me.
Sing a song for your
Sing
ex.
a song for me, ex, man.
Yeah, sing a song for your ex.
Yeah, what? Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
I may not be familiar with your language, but I sure would like to cross over your bridge. I may not dress in style like the guys in your town do, but I sure know how to say
I love you, John.
I wanna love you in the morning.
Yeah.
I wanna love you in the evening too.
Bye.
I wanna love you when you're lonely.
Yeah.
Even when you're feeling blue. Yeah.
Well on. No, hold on. You don't have to sing to. But when me I say, no, me I gonna ask you, know, it sound like say, and you get back that ex, say you da take that ex, they don't.
Of course, man.
Oh, you miss her, don't.
I miss her a lot. It's still on my mind, man.
Okay, still there on your mind. How long now you and her left?
Like 6 months then I lived for 5 years, then she left.
Oh, only did there for 5 years and she left and she gone about six months now, don't it?
You have two youth with her, and me have a youth them now.
And you have the youth.
I'm so depressed, man.
And she gone? And she gone and left you and the youth them?
I never know where she is, man.
You don't know where she is? What you mean you don't know where she is? She just gone, so?
They come home one night from work and everything gone, furniture, everything, and the two youth in that bed, and that's so depressing, you know?
No, hold on.
Sometimes even I say, if you really buck up, the love I feel, but sometimes I think you that kill her, man.
No, all right, here we are going. First thing, if you buck her up, don't do her nothing here. It's not worth it. You remember say you have to live for the two youth them, all right? But what me I say is, what you say, you and her there for 5 years and have two youth together. And you say she move out and move out. You just come home and she move out all of the furniture, everything, and just left the two youth them there too.
She moved out and I used to work in Jersey, right?
Yeah.
I used to live in New York. I was like a post before, right, Sil?
Right.
And I come see my sister. The two youth with my sister and the whole empty. Furniture, everything gone, man.
John, no.
That's hard, right?
No, man, that rough, man. How old the youth them is?
1 at 3 and 1 at 4.
1 at 3 and 1 at 4?
Yeah, I'm going to 5 and 1 at 3, yeah. 4 plus, yeah.
Yeah, 4, yeah. Like we say 4 plus at Jamaica and thing. And you just turn up and she does this and you don't know what she there right now. So the youth them don't know what she there either.
She never no hint. She never give me no hint.
And she move over with the furniture them and thing and left. We say that again? How that go?
Well, you have Raga, right?
Yeah.
She's a Yankee, and she should never deal with a Yankee girl.
Oh, she's American woman.
I don't know what that country she is. You understand me, man?
Oh, you don't know? What you mean? You say you don't know which one that country she come from. You don't know if she's American or whatever, but she just...
No, the country America when over state today.
Eh?
I don't know which state she may be. I don't know where she is. She's from down south.
Oh, she come from down... But let me ask you something now. And if you don't mind, I just want kind of, kind of see me can suss out this little bit. If you did for push yourself, if you for push yourself and say, this is the reason why she left, what would that reason be?
I don't know.
No, but me I say, if you for push yourself and say...
Let me tell you something, right?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. have a quarrel. We have a quarrel like a week before, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you, say, what's a baby? The last youth I'm going to think of mine, right?
Yeah.
Because she said me she pregnant. 3 months after she pregnant, let me know, right?
Oh, that go what you say?
And she said, 3 months after she pregnant to the last youth.
3 months? 3 months?
Yes, she never tell me. And I said, watch you, we have to take a DNA test, right? Because I don't care for Murray.
No.
I don't care for Murray show.
You could have carried up on Morris Road. Well, on. What you say, you tell us, you tell the last youth on a year one, but what you say about 3 months?
I think I don't mind the last one. You know the first one of mine. Price dead for me.
The dead stamp for you, the first
Everything
one.
about me is that kid.
But yeah, so this, you know,
But the last one kind of like, I'm a black man, right?
Yeah, you're a black man, right? And
she's a black woman.
And she a black woman, right? Yeah.
And the kid is light, like a Spanish or something.
And the pit light skin. Oh.
You said me the thing that you their mind, right? I'm saying that was the DNA and thing. And me left, you come up in the fear, that meaning of my youth.
So hold on, so the big argument was boom bam bam. So you tell her you are gonna take the DNA with the youth and whatever, and you left. And after that's you tell her say you're gonna take the DNA and you left, when you come back, she not dead, eh?
She not dead, eh?
Backside.
But because she know he's ambitious fuck. She know he's ambitious man, you know, rather.
All right, yeah. So keep it clean, because you almost say one word. Thank you, yeah? If you not say the word. What you say?
Sorry about that.
Well, you say she knows that you is a vicious man?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you don't mind me ask, how she know you is a vicious man? Like, what she did do before where you did have to do or something?
She knew when she know me move.
She know you move because you didn't
play.
Oh, because you never play with her from before, so she know that, don't it?
Yeah, she know me to play.
Okay, some more time you did have to tatter her up on them something there?
What do you, man? All the while, man.
Oh, so all the while.
Me not go on stage show one time out there at Jamaica, you know, right?
Yeah.
And she run up on stage, go up this artist all the thing, and then back shot down.
Well, on, you not go on stage show at Jamaica Avenue, and then what she do when she see one artist, and what she do? What she do?
She run up on stage.
She run up on the stage.
And wind up with the artist.
She wind up with the artist, and she run up on, you and her go out, and she run up on stage and go wind up on big artists, no?
Yeah. And then back shot down, and mash up her when she come back down.
And when she come back down, you box her down and mash her up.
Yeah, she know me as a jealous man, right? She can't do that, man.
Oh, okay.
Me buy a ticket and take you out with me.
Okay, so yeah, so Choon should know, say, you're vicious them way there, and you will do her things and whatever you say. She get booming up because she say, anyhow you go do the DNA test and find say, a year one now. In a fear mind, you go take it to her certain. A trouble. But, all right, me hear hold on. Me hear what you're saying. I'm going to say something to you and it's going to sound foolish, you know, but me still going to say it to you anyway, you hear? All right, then. Me just want you give some let me tell you something. You have good people out there, I have bad people out there. We can't get around that, all right?
Yeah.
All right, then.
Yeah.
You see, one of the things where I would suggest to you and other people who are listening, you want to reach a level where you see, if somebody not put them hand on you, for them not put them hand on you, right? Leave out that part there. But you see, somebody do you something really, really bad, particularly in other country, particularly with black men who come from other countries like yourself. You really want to develop the capacity there when I want to do you something and I say something to you and whatever, you walk them out and don't resort to violence because you see in other countries, if certain things reach upon a level there and whatever, you don't even do it for the youth, them, and you don't even do it for yourself. You follow me?
Yeah.
So I know say it sound that way, but what I suggest to you, say, when you deal with a woman and if she do certain things when you don't like and whatever, nobody reach a point the way you go box them down and beat them and them something there, yeah?
Well, Raga.
Yeah.
You know what I say? Me there know, me I take care of kid. I will check a Spanish kid or a white kid. How me ever feel?
Yeah, me know say that feel bad still, but me just say you still now want be. If you left far, you left
But
far.
the problem is I signed the birth certificate.
You signed it? Yeah, I saw it work up here. If you sign it, you're lucky, you know.
That's what me I say, man.
Yeah, I keep it real with you. The way the court work up here, you say, not only that you sign it, you know, but you already established yourself as a father of that child. The way the court work up here.
The father.
Yeah, you have to go hold it
Yeah,
until the pitney at 18 at least, you know?
Yeah, but see, me like you. Listen, me now go walk away for youth still.
Good, very good. Don't let out the
And I
youth.
go walk away for youth because I really attached to the youth, right?
All right.
You understand?
Yeah. But anyway, respect
And I go walk away for youth.
Yeah, man. But anyway, respect for calling and share that, and thanks for the tune for X where you send on and thing. And me just want, you know, you look like you go through a thing there, whatever, and she run me, but in truth, it look like she do something.
Yeah,
it look like a really jacket for Chu, and then Chu, she knows so you have to find out she leg up because she know.
Jacket that, man.
No, but I must jacket, you know. Remember, I said the test not do, but me I say give it that she run way. And thing and whatever, then it must, you know, she must know, so boy, in a fear mind, you're going to find out, and then you're going to deal.
We have 4 kids.
Yeah.
We have 2 kids with another woman, right, before me, she, right?
Yeah.
And this kid don't like the other 3. One of them have her before and the rest, you know?
Well, sometimes that can happen and still you're you doing, you know, me I tell you that, you know, so it's set.
It could happen,
yeah,
still, right?
Yeah.
That's why when I say to myself, brother,
yeah.
We never take the test until me book up with her. So I don't want to get to hate that kid and thing, you know?
Right. Well, if she not in the picture, you know, see her anymore or whatever, and you have to keep the youth in any way, it don't make sense you do the test then, all right?
Yeah.
All right.
Try to live with it, right?
Yeah, man, and just love that you love your youth them and take care of them and do your best for them same way, yeah?
We have to love the youth. Because we told them together and they love each other. They have to love the youth, man.
All right, and you see if anything kind of sometimes, you know, them now I look at weird in Jamaica and, you know, they say the devil wicked and thing. So sometimes some look at things can creep in your mind. But you see anytime and I look at things creep in your mind and you feel that way about the youth, listen to me now. Yeah, listen to me. Listen to my Raga. Listen to my Raga. Anytime and I look at things creep in your head and you feel like you want to treat that youth different, just remember this. It was never, listen. It was never, ever the child's fault.
No.
All right?
I have nothing to do with that.
I have nothing to do with it. So you just love the youth there, treat the youth good and thing, all right? Because I know they pick the fault, all right?
I take your advice. Man.
Blessings, my brother. Enough respect, here.
Blessings.
Yeah, man, I'm wish you all the best and thing. I'm want you grow from strength to strength and thing and take care of youth, man. And hopefully I can find happiness in the future, all right? Blessings, here.
He's a strong man.
Man. Protection, all right? Here? See it there. Why people may tell you, you know, they see this worldly and thing and whatever, you know, you see people that walk out there and look like them beard and put on clothes and all them. And you don't know where people are go through. You don't know what reach them and all these things and whatever. You understand? Anyway, work. Choon for X. All right, back in and sing a song for your ex. For one of your ex them. Why? Hello. Greetings. Hello. Carla. The line walk there, you know, Jordan. I don't know they must have. Next call. Cause we not getting on. Hello. Greetings.
Good night, Rob.
Good night. Wagwan.
Nothing. First time on your program.
Why? Talk to me. Sing a tune for one of your ex.
Listen to it.
Eh?
To the left. Anything you own in the box to the left, in the closet. That my stuff. If I bought it, please don't touch through the door.
Fire! Lighter! What you said to the left? Sing it again to the left. Give them the Beyonce there. To the left. Sing it again one more time.
To the left. Anything you own in the box to the left, in the closet. That my stuff. If I bought it, please don't touch.
Light up. it. And nowadays we don't even send them a winner box. Scandal bag for them. Scandal bag for them. And the scandal bag, black scandal bags. Black scandal bag. Black scandal bag and thing. And if anything, we all get them one transparent plastic bag, make them see them dirty brief when you send them away. All right. Anyway, big up yourself here.
One love, brother.
Bye. Okay, I like it. Choon for X. And that's the thing, the greetings. Hello. Next call. Work. Hello. Hello.
Good night, Raga.
Good night, dog. How are you?
First time caller.
Blessings, man.
Yeah, man.
All right. You have a tune for one of your ex?
I think so.
All right, send on.
I remember the day I called Mama on the telephone. I told her, Mama, I'm getting married. I could hear her voice from the other side of the telephone. She was smiling. Then she asked me a question. I don't remember the rest, Raga.
Okay, but
you know, it's a lucky doobie.
It's a lucky doobie song, the original reggae singer, that and thing, you know. But what was the point of the song, though, that is relevant to your ex?
Well, oh God, repeat again.
No, I mean, what was the point out of the song that is relevant to your ex? All right, don't worry about it. It's okay if it's not readily available to you. It's okay, all right?
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Respect,
All
auntie.
right, I'm listening, all right?
Yeah, man. Enough respect, man. Cool.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Respect.
Tune for X, your thing name. Tune for X. Sing a tune for one of your ex. All right. Hello.
Good night, Mr. Raga.
Good. Mr. Never Rang, what happened?
Yes, me no call for signal.
No. You can't change up a program. You have to sing a tune for one of your ex, Mr. Never Rang.
No. One love for our ex.
No,
one love like Bob Marley.
No, well, sing
one
it.
Love.
Well, sing it.
One love.
Sing it, Mr. Never Rang. You can't come and change the thing.
Me can't sing.
Listen, Mr. Never Rang. Mr. Never Rang, the objective is not for sing good. And so the thing is just sing it as best as you can. Sing it. Bob Marley, One Love. Sing it.
Yes. One love.
Yeah.
One heart.
Yeah.
Gets together and be all right.
Yes, Mr. Never Rang. Yo, no, man, Mr. Never Rang. You go on good a while ago. I want me to you sound like you're artist a while ago. I want me to you.
No, we don't artist. We don't know what that.
Mr. Never Rang, listen to me a while ago the way you sing. Beres Amman, I listen to you. Christopher Martin, I listen to you and the man. Bad mind you. And that's how you think there. All right, big up yourself, Mr. Never Rang. Yeah. So what you say? What you say, Mr. Never Rang?
Listen.
Yes.
The guy that infiltrated at the ghetto is coming infiltrated in the ghetto.
What you say what?
A ghetto infiltrated at the ghetto in living.
What you talk about now?
What the guy that saying beat back some the woman?
No, but
no, that's disrespect.
Oh, what you mean that's disrespect? What you know about it? Yeah, okay. So what you have to say about it?
But if the woman run up on the stage, go dance with artists.
Yeah.
Why have you box him down?
Okay.
That's not good.
No, box her down. Box her. You can't say box him down. Say box her down. Box her. Why am I for box her?
No. Yeah. But that's not good, Raga.
What you say?
You're so woman. Hold on. Let me tell you something. Me not tell you something.
Yeah.
You're so woman. You're so woman will need a man.
Yeah.
But see how them man behave. It's hard for a woman get a good woman.
Hard for a woman get a good man. Get a good man.
Yes.
Whenever
yes. The way them guys behave. Like one got talk for you.
Yeah.
Where him behave.
Yeah.
Him are one of them to make a woman.
Yeah.
A man get a good woman.
Right.
You know one of them.
Okay.
So you know. Yeah, you know, see woman and box him down.
No, box her down. Mr. Never Rang, box her down. Don't say box him down, box her down. Don't box her down.
Box her down.
Yeah, box her. Yeah, her.
In district in the crowd. That's disrespect.
Yeah.
And you have to tell me, say, you want to be friend around them, the type of guy there, and say you're my friend. Them one, they all craft.
Okay.
Them all craft.
You can't be none of a guy the ragga. Them man, they're all croft.
Okay.
And people with class like them too.
Okay.
Trust me. Me don't want to be none of them man there.
But Mr. Never, hold on. But Mr. Never run. But you a man, you call in and then you done woman sometime to answer the woman. But you never say you beat any woman. No, but you not beat woman. You not beat woman. You not beat woman.
No lie for me, no. Me never done a woman. I say.
No, hold on. When me say done, me no mean physical and beat and whatever. Because you never say you ever do that. But but remember you said Jamaican woman them no good. I remember you said that, So you done them. But when me I say, but you never say you beat them.
No, me not put me on for no woman.
Okay, all right.
No, we don't have gum.
Okay.
No, we don't have gum, raga. Okay. Me not put me on for. If me and the woman can't get her, me walk out of life.
Very good.
But I'm married to me, sir, no.
Okay. Married to her. Married to her. She.
Me not put me on for no woman.
Yeah.
When you can't get along, me walk out of the
walk out and left it and thing or whatever.
Yes.
Yeah.
One door closed, the other one open.
That's right.
Remember, take a video that you walk, maybe say walk, then take a video like them.
Well, Mr. Never wrong. Suppose you love one woman. Suppose you there with that woman and you love her. And you come home and you see her with one man and the man have something where 5 times bigger than yours something. And he must send it down for your woman. And she a ball out and she a ball out your name and I say, gimme. Because Mr. Never wrong, never give me good so yet. If me a idiot and thing and you come home and you see that, what you would I do?
You take him and go on with him.
Take her. Taxi. No, you just say taxi and go on with him. No, hold on. You just say taxi and go on with him. Say taxi and go on with her. Take her.
Anyone, the man take the woman and go and the woman take the woman and go on.
Right. Okay.
That's nothing, raga.
Okay.
Never one do whooping like that.
That's
to
right.
you.
Yeah.
Never get never do whooping like. Don't distress yourself.
All right.
Distress yourself. Woman gone. No, never so.
All right.
Never one do the whooping of you right of you.
All right. And what's like how you a star boy to other woman who want you to? Yeah.
Eh?
Me know one woman, she named Vinny. She said she want to leave her husband for you. Them call her
husband for me?
Yeah, one lady and thing. She all there too. She come past through this. She there. Is she big and fat? Eh?
Yeah, she big and fat?
No, she not big and fat. No, she not big and fat. What you like?
No, if she not big and fat, me don't want him.
If she not big and fat, you don't want him. Voila. If you not big and fat, you don't want her. Okay, voila.
No. You want meat?
You want meat? No, and you say meat? No.
Listen, when me lie down in my bed,
yeah.
I want something that touch me. That's it.
You want something? Okay. From she up on the bed, you're supposed to touch you now. Because you love them big and fat now. Vinny,
right.
Mr. Never wrong say you can't work because you don't big and fat. Yeah. You don't big and fat, yeah? She there so I laugh and think and whatever and think. Mr. Never wrong say you can't get the work because you don't big and fat. Mr. Never wrong say...
you have big and fat.
She have to big and fat because...
If you're not big and fat,
you're not
big and fat.
Oh, you mean, because you not work with it and you're not big and fat.
Listen, for the one we have...
Yeah, the one
we have a 250 pounds.
Yeah.
We have a 250 pounds a year.
No, because I true thing, Jordan. I true him attack, man. Him wife pass, But him wife was 350 pounds for true. Mr. Never wrong.
Yes.
Mr. Never wrong. I don't mean for be rude, but So, then when you and I do this something with them, you never have no difficulty like sometime,
No.
No? You never...
That's what we give me quick.
What you say? She dash up and give you quick, no?
Yeah, man. Me fire tick we hot,
What you say about your fire tick, what?
Me fire tick we hot, man.
Your fire tick did hot. Boom. Gunshot, clip empty. Boom. What you say your fire tick did hot?
Yes, fire tick did hot. Yes.
Burn up that, Mr. Deborah. Burn up that.
The way me fire tick I have to see.
Yeah.
He make sure they don't left give me the house.
They don't left give you. Yeah, me know say you get the house with you. Me know you get the. So what?
Yeah, the way me fire tick I hot.
Jesus and peace.
You not going camera with him.
No, she. Edward, she did that go. Edward, she.
You know it.
She.
You don't let me go nowhere. You don't care me going to church.
So what I know, Mr. Never wrong. If you said the way your fire tick did hot, When she dead, she make sure, because you say you're not dead for 30 days and before, when she says she's sick on her past, she make sure, so she put everything together and make sure so you get the house. You remember you tell me that, right? All right. So you say the way your fire tick did actually left the house gear. So Mr. Neverang, you know, realize what about you know? You know it's enough man out there hype and thing and them not star boy because you have house body.
House body?
Yeah, you have. Yeah, you have house body, don't you have house body?
Yeah, the lady give me the house.
Yeah, but you said the way your fire tick did actually left the house for you. So me I say, and your fire tick a body.
Fire tick a hot, man.
Yes, so me say your fire tick. So you did a put it on her good. So and before she leave, she say, well, and before she pass out, she say, you have to get the house. So me I say, you have house body. Big up yourself with the house body, Mr. Neverang. Big up yourself.
Trust me. I swear God life.
All right.
Raga, you have to treat woman good. You have to treat woman good.
Yeah.
The woman respect you.
That's
don't
right.
Follow no fool.
Yeah.
Don't follow no cloth.
Yes.
You have to treat woman good.
Hallelujah.
The woman respect you.
Glory.
Because the woman treat you good.
Yeah.
Don't treat him like what nigga.
Yeah.
The woman respect you. I saw you get respect for a woman.
Well,
treat them like them a lady.
Well, Mr. Neverang. Mr. Neverang. Because we have to done some people here now and think. People that listen to you right now and think, say, baby thing at the pan. Lexus. Look how you swing your teely all about. You get a house for your body? No. All I want to order who are hype on all these things and think I sound a big star. Baby Sham, you didn't forget your house with your own money. Not found out there and thing. On a big politician and thing. You have any house body. You can't show a house for no body. Not found order. Mr. Neverang a star for no found no. DJ Chris Cross, you have a brethren, but you have house body. GQ, you have do that, you dead your laugh. You ever get a house for your body? Jordan, you dead your dead with laugh on a turnover. Jordan, let me ask you something. You have a long future ahead of you. Try get a house for your body. And that may I tell you here. It's nothing I go on.
Treat man good.
Oh, you mean?
Human respect you.
Oh, you mean? Make a fire take work and think you get a house and think. Mr. Neverang. Hold on, Mr. Neverang. Mr. Neverang, hold on. Hold on. Mr. Neverang. Mr. Neverang.
Hold on. Treat the woman.
No, I know you treat the woman, but Mr. Neverang. Right, I know. Me want you have a thing what most people call self-affirmation. Okay? But we are going to translate it in our language and thing. So me want you big up yourself. So Mr. Neverang, me want you say right now, big up my house body. Say that.
Big up my house body. Yeah, me fire tick and chang, man.
You fire tick and chang.
Fire tick and chang.
Yo, but I remember piss up myself and the people in both studio there, you know. Anyway, Mr. Neverang, big up yourself here.
Yeah, big up yourself.
All right, Mr. Neverang, January. People don't know what's going up on a Friday. Mr. Neverang have to call in and get piece of the thing, you know. I feel him sure this on a Friday. Him have to touch it. He don't care what the topic is. He generally have a whole piece of. When you say Jordan, make a whole quick break. Quick break, Jordan, quick break.
This is IrieJam.
What? Over? Did you say over? Nothing is over till we decide it is. And it ain't over now.
We're gonna stay here forever. You got it? Ooh, yeah. Forever. This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Yo, big up my boy, Zion and thing, proper respect. But people, you know what, say 3 TamFamers pass through the place, I come give me a yell and thing. I want to know what TamFamers is. I mean, you don't know that of a Tambourine family, TamFamer. You understand, TamFamer, that's what the thing there, and whatever, and really. I know so one of them say, she want to give a yell and ask. Would I like to know what kind of question you want? Vinny Willie, well, me say she on or whatever. Vinny Willie, you want to ask me? What you want to ask me? What you want to ask me?
Good night, TamFam.
Yeah.
You know, say they are.
Well, turn around the microphone and your mouth good, cause
you are ask everybody.
Yeah.
If them get us for them body.
Yeah.
You get us for your one.
And they say you going right.
Yeah, that's some.
Why you worry about that way? Why you worry about that?
If you get us for your one,
why you worry about that for?
You call out everybody.
No,
you get us for your one.
No, are you secret?
You're not supposed to talk about that.
A bad man, Mr. Neverang. Why you bring me in the mix up for? All right, you know what? Me keep it real. Never keep it real. Me never get no house for my body.
What you get for your body?
What?
What you get for your body?
Let me see what we get from her. No, me don't know.
You know what I got?
People, yo, people, you know what? I be check. Well, come back here. Come back here. What? Come back here for a second.
What?
Well, no, Jordan, bring on back the camera, ready. Come back. People, come back here for a second. You there worry about what me get from my body and all these things or whatever, this and that. That is my business, you understand? What me I ask you now, people never hear me talk about one woman who live on New York City sidewalk. I see this. I see this. A sidewalk she live on an hype. The sidewalk she live. Yo, people, look on her. Fear dive on. Fear pillar top of grass. I dive on a pillar top of grass.
At least
right?
I sleep somewhere.
Listen to me. People, you see fear bedded.
Body gear.
Fear bedded.
Not even not bedded your body gear.
Fear bedded a bush.
Not even not chimney your body gear.
What?
Not even not chimney your body gear.
Hold on. Let me tell you. No, listen to me. Let me tell you what my body give me. Let me tell you what my body give me right now.
What?
Let me tell you what my body give me right now. Ice mint. Lollipop, half a bread, and them something. That me used to get. And suck and Kisco and them something there.
It don't look good. It don't look good.
Vinny Raga loves you.
I love you too, honey.
I love you, boo-boo.
Nighttime, fam.
All right, enough love and blessings here. And thing. Babs, you big up yourself. And Glow in the building.
Yeah.
Yeah. Vinny, Glow, and Babs, you running on it. Glow, you know what? Come here, the people, them. Glow, come here, the people, man. No bother with it, man. I know you're tired, man. You just come in. Glow, come here, the people, them, man. What's like come here, you did a war and them things, said the war. Come on, put on the headphone. Glow, what happened? Come on, make the people, them say Glow. Well on. Make the people, them say Glow. Turn on the thing. Jordan, turn on back there, turn on back there. Turn on back there, Jordan. I'm going bring in Glow there. Jordan, I work on it. I work on it. All right, let's see now. Glow, you're just flying from Canada, all these things. What happened?
Raga.
What?
I never want nobody know some I left Canada come here.
What they this and I mean, decide for load you, because I feel like somebody can't load you up. How? Yeah?
Not change.
What you mean if me not change? No, what you mean? No, why you never talk to your friend? Why you make your friend?
Good night, TamFam.
Why you make your friend come over here so come assault me about my body?
Yeah, because everybody, even the young guy, not even past 12.
Ooh.
If you get
Jordan.
out body, and you're the world till you're 60,
Jordan.
and you don't have nothing.
What you mean? Who said me? I don't know 60.
I don't know. Him at 12, and you have bother him about
Jordan is
body.
not 12. He never said nothing about me. Just say it's something him can't look forward to because he's young.
All big, all tough turvy.
What you mean? And whatever.
And you are going to ask the people about feed them house and
listen
body.
to me.
Why?
Me a big up Mr. Never Wrong. And all me I say, people like Lexus don't have house
Mr.
body.
Never Wrong, no, if a man or woman, he or she, but he get house for body.
Yeah, me get house in body. Then a big me a big him up and me a talk about the other man them. So some of them can look forward to.
You know what?
Oh, God. Well, we know you're tired, I think. So where are you? Come down and come party?
Nope.
Huh?
Which party?
Oh, you have man down here, don't you?
Yeah.
You have man down here, though. Good man.
1 and 2
No,
time.
but me can't be here, you know. You probably not hear what.
But it never did I.
Hold on. Let me talk upon thing because we get the news flash. Say Canada people, them sort out no good. Canada sort out no good. So you have to come to New York for the good. You have to come to New York for the man, then put it on fire properly. You have to come to New York. Don't deny it.
I wish Canada man here talk about.
Me don't know if the Canada man them up there. Why you think you there? Why you think you're there?
Oh, you know the man is not Canadian and live down here?
No, he's not Canadian.
Michael Burke recently moved down here. Get bigger job down here.
Yeah, Michael Burke moved down, but I know Michael Burke. You know that's out. No. First of all, you're not going to give Michael Burke.
You know.
Me don't know him, but me know say that.
I know everything.
A body you come for. A
New
York body you come for. You come for New York body. Admit it and done.
It's about time.
It's about time. And thing. Yes. You know, we know the thing kind of probably nothing going up like, you know, look at desert up there really cool, but you need a look at oasis because in a desert up there, so down there you come.
At least we get plane fare and hotel accommodation.
That's
and
right.
Everything fair.
Jeez and peace, muddy.
You know.
Yeah, man. All right, big up yourself here. Blessing.
You have a good one. Night time, fam.
It goes so man. All right, protection. Cool. Yo, people that don't know what the thing said, you know, TamFam was saying a mad thing. All right, no sound the show answer tonight. I think safety on the road, Bob, the safety Vinny, safety Glow, and think protection and think. Well, we want some big respect to the people who are listening. You probably, you know, if you don't follow Ragashanti for years, You probably know, you're not going to really know them people, but who for know them and thing. People remember say, my thing, you know, DJ, when I tell my brother talk to DJ Rai, and him said to DJ Rai, oh, Reggae keep event at Amazura with no artist and full up a place. So, how him do that? You know, Judah? And you know, my brother talk to DJ Rai, and DJ Rai said to him, say, I'm going to say something to you about Reggae, but don't interpret it as a bad thing, because it's not a bad thing. Reggae thing is like a cult thing. It's a family thing. It's a family cult thing. Leave that alone. You can't understand that. Yeah? And that DJ Rai tell me, say him tell the man, say, Reggae thing is like a family cult thing, right? You have people who is just a family for them. See them there? You see all them people, you see years, you know, man. Yeah, man, some 15, 20 years and thing. Them a juggle with me and thing. And some of them will war and thing and whatever, like family. And we good see them after that and thing and we balance up with thing and whatever. You understand? So we have to give thanks to them people. Anybody who you see involved in a media or entertainment and all them something there, right? It's always people who support them. You understand? Barry Saman could never be who he is without people who support him. Bob Marley could never be who he was. Well, the rest of them would have said is, because them not believe in a death, and you know, that's something there, and thing without people I support him and thing. So I want to say big respect to all TamFamers and thing. All right? And people do remember, you know, you have a thing named Ragashanti TV on YouTube. That's my YouTube channel. I want you to go over there, right? And lock in on the thing right now. Subscribe to the channel. That channel and another channel named TamFam TV. So I two channels. One named Ragashanti TV. And the next one named TamFam TV. Ragashanti TV are the Mixup entertainment thing and whatever. So now just subscribe to that. Go over there on YouTube, put in Ragashanti TV and click subscribe. And then also click one bell. You're going to see one bell, they click a bell too. That's for notification. And do the same thing for TamFam TV. All right? Give me a quick call before we take the next 3-minute break there, Jordan. Choon for X. Hello. Greetings. Hello. 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 Greetings, yeah.
I gave her back the key to her front door. Because it seemed she didn't love me anymore. A great guy, I could say.
A great guy, sing.
For all the love, I gave her all the love I could. And she still.
No, man, sing it, man. Sing it again. Start it over and sing it, man.
Granny,
yeah.
Granny know that I don't want to be lonely tonight. Granny know that I don't want to be lonely tonight. Would I rather be lonely than live a dirty life?
All right, man. Big tune. The cool roller. I think. Original Gregory. All right, big up yourself. Here, sir.
Yeah, but one thing before we go, Raga.
Yeah.
Sometimes some ex, I say ex left you know. I and an ex broke up, you know.
Oh, that.
And you know, say, sometimes you and an ex broke up. Sometimes when you look at that, one of the best thing ever happened to you, you know.
Well, yeah.
Because when you look on where you know, you then know. You wonder if you did still there with them, if you did this in life.
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
That's words of wisdom. But go on to your program, Raga. I love it.
That's true. Yeah, man. Blessings, man.
All right, good on, Raga.
Yeah. See, Alex Rodriguez left J-Lo and she get back Ben Affleck there. So, yo, you know, J-Lo engagement ring, them estimate is between 8 to 10 million. You hear that, Judah? Engagement ring is 8 to 10. No, you can't hang up the call. It's 8 to 10 million, you know, Judah. 8 to 10 million. So them do an article now and show you the article and show you all of J-Lo engagement them. A 6 times J-Lo get engaged, you know. And each of the 6 times them will show you all our engagement ring. J-Lo can retire now and just live off our engagement ring them. Yo, no man, J-Lo. So, all right, give me a quick caller before break again. Give me a quick caller. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings. What one?
Good. I'm gonna be clean.
Yeah.
Forget what I said. It don't mean ish now. Forget those present. Might as well throw them out. Forget all those kisses. It don't mean jack. Forget you, you hoe. I don't want you back.
Fling with that a bush. Fling with that a bush. Done with that. Run it again one more time. I'm love how you keep it clean. And sing. Balance up the thing. Yes. Run it again. One more time. Forget
what I said. It don't mean ish now.
Yeah.
Forget the present. Might as well throw them out. Forget all those kisses. It don't mean jack. Forget you, you hoe. I don't want you back.
Leg on that. Dash with that a bush. What go on good? Everything balance.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Your bathroom clean?
Yes, please.
Everywhere in your bathroom clean?
It's not this. It's not a roadside bathroom.
Okay, what you say?
Roadside bathroom is not clean.
Well, on, you sure your bathtub have that slight shade of brown on the side of the tub?
First of all, if I tell you right now, you might not believe me. From Bullpuss remodel my bathroom, I be in the tub. I be a shower. I don't go in that tub.
Big up the boss, Bullpuss. Big up the boss, Bullpuss. I must say you and Raass celebrating the anniversary. I just want to say blessed anniversary to the item and thing. Enough love and blessings to the two of you know.
Thank you.
And just go and grow from strength to strength. All right?
Yes, bless up.
All right, love and blessings.
Yeah.
All right, people, we're approaching the 11 o'clock hour again. Just want to remind you that on Friday night, at the top of the hour each hour, which in this case, in New York, it would be 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. In Jamaica time, it would be 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock. We have to break for 3 minutes because the station up here is we're broadcasting on the 93.5 band. And the top of the hour, we have to give 3 minutes to what I refer to as the mother station, all right? So in about 50 seconds, we're going to take that break for 3 minutes, and of course, we'll return and continue this delightful, engaging, and captivating insanity, branded by yours truly, Ragashanti, Miss Cherry, Wash Belly, from St. Mary. Bad man, an artist, and you hear them rhyme there. Leave me alone. A bad. All right, what's the right, people? Not just juggling, because we have one more hour, this madness and thing, So stay tuned. And in the meantime, when we take that 3-minute break, I want to go over Ragashanti TV on YouTube and TamFam TV on YouTube and subscribe to them channel there. And the Bridge 99 FM too. Lock it right now. In the 3 minutes, I come. Rrr.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling, people, I just want to keep up the energy, I want to drop off the energy, when it go towards the end, Because I remember saying, at the end of the nice part, whenever see a movie and thing, and when the movie are done at that time, the climax happen. I want to do other things, and it are done at that time, the climax happen. Even though people not use that word there again. Climax. Yo, people, one time that did come on, for refer to Sato, when you pop off. Them say climax. Yo, and by the way, big up the Jamaican people who used to, when you refer to like having, an orgasm, the word was broke. People, I swear, you can't ask any older Jamaican at any my age. That, you see what when I talk about come, and you did come, and whatever. Back in the day, it was broke. Yeah, so you did broke in her. Yeah, are you a youth? You did broke in her. Yo, I'm in here, Ragashanti. You know something in the car. We talk about something them and tell them something them. Honestly, why don't they say furniture deal? Go up a furniture deal and ask him, say, when him did a sort out in the cane piece them, and in the yam field them a Trelawney. Cause at that him go on, no found the same brown so no him come brown so and thing about at the yam field them and thing. And when him used to sort out in the yam field them, furniture deal up a Bronx from People's Choice, furniture and thing. I saw him used to go, I broke in you. And that him used to tell him girlfriend them. Okay, all right. I can't bother. Who don't like how I talk, could come drape me. Anyway, Well, we up on that thing name our Choon for X. Choon for X. Call in and sing a tune for your ex. Any tune you want to sing for your ex. Any tune where you think explain how you feel about your ex right now. Or one of your ex, right? Any tune where you feel explain how you feel about one of your ex right now. Who are you calling and sing that tune for your ex? It name Tune for X. I Ragashanti live, you listen right now. On the Bridge 99 FM at Jamaica. And also upon IrieJam Radio. Right here, so in New York City, Queens, New York, reaching New York, and of course, we are reach Connecticut too, we are reach upstate, over the city and thing. We are reach North Jersey. Yo, Patterson people, big up on yourself over there, because we know sound a lock in. Patterson, New Jersey, proper thing. Big up on yourself. Enough respect to any culture. Send on the link because I know say you want I am if you a dance and thing, but me no, link me back and thing and whatever because me no, what this? Up, okay, mad thing. All right, so to any culture, link up people. Do remember, say, after me left right here, so me I go over one party with DJ Chris Cross have what the place name? Wait name Judah? What the place name? Yeah, over Stars Palace. DJ Chris Cross. TamFam has no explanation needed this. No explanation needed this, all right? So we are go over there and think a brother named Dave's birthday bash. Me I go over there because DJ Chris Cross over there. Road International over there too. So you don't know, so from a DJ Raass something too. DJ Raass, big up yourself, DJ Raass, big up yourself. Anybody trouble you call me. DJ Raass, anybody trouble you call me. Anybody trouble you DJ Raass, call me. Who me can't beat up, me know where to go to fix them. Who me can't beat up DJ Raass, me know where to go to get them Bosun, Bigfoot, and make them walk and say, alele, in the road. You understand me? I say, okay. Next call, send on a call, hello. Yo.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, man.
Turn up your call him, Jamaica, turn up your call him, yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right, you ready for sing a tune for your ex?
Yeah, man.
Send on.
Sorry for Marga Dog. Marga Dog turn round by jump out a frying pan. You're bound to jump in a fire.
Man.
Sorry for Marga
Dog. What? Sorry for Marga Dog. Marga Dog turn round bite you. Jump out a frying pan. You bound for jump in a fire. Man! So what are you sorry? You didn't look out for your ex and think your ex turn on and betray you and wicked to you, dog.
Yeah, man.
Oh, God. I wish you do.
Man, I left. Me catch her with a man still,
Oh, you catch her with one man?
Oh,
well,
I do domestic helper work and me catch her with a man,
Oh, she did do domestic helper work and you catch her with a man?
Which district? I'm coming in my district, yeah.
No, you carry her coming in you're sorry for her and look out for her and carry her in your district, right? And she did do domestic helper work in your district?
Yeah, man.
And then, but so what you do? You catch her with the man, which part she work or where you did live?
Which part she work?
Oh, say...
Night come down and she tell me, say she go back to work. And I said, do I say work night and I work there? And she said, yes, and so I go catch them.
Well on. Night come, so she working at the day and tell about she go back and working at the night. And then, but well on, and then when you go over there, so what? So tell me what did...
When she gone, I said, the man, when I chose where go up there to tell man them my family, let me see my boogie up on a bicycle, I go up the road, so I go catch them.
Oh, you see, what you say, she and my family?
No, up where people are working, say man them my family.
Oh, so him and them my family, so you say you see my boogie yaga go up on a bicycle, go up there, so you trail him. So when you trail him and thing, where you go up there go see?
Me go up there go see him park on the bicycle roadside and one another half down house where I make down a bottom there down them go catch them.
So him park up the road, the bicycle roadside And then I want another half-done house with the boat and thing. And down there you go catch. So what, him carry her down at the half-finished house where. So also nobody not in at the half-finished house. It just did a bill.
No, it just did that bill.
Oh, so when you go down at the half-finished house now, where you go, and of course you know so you have to keep it clean on the radio. But when you go down there, where you go down there, go see.
I just screech and go down there with my flashlight and I do some boom and turn on in the room and so run and jump through the window and mess with the man in the house near kid.
Jesus have mercy. No, I lie you tell Panar. What you say?
That's my son, I get one son with us. See me right also with me.
Jesus and peace. And what you say now? So you trail the boy who claims say my family. And then when you go down there now, you see him put the bicycle on roadside and see it down in the half-finished house. And you screech, you go up there with your flashlight. And then when you turn on your flashlight, but when you say she jumped through the window and splat.
Yeah, man.
So hold on. When she jumped through the window, she didn't naked?
No, I never see her, because she run as a flashlight, as I turn on the flashlight.
So you never get to see her?
No, but I see him in my house near kid.
Oh, but you know so she did in there with him though?
Yeah, man.
Because I trail them going in the half-finished house, no?
Yeah, man.
But what, so Willan, you see her say she take it through the window and run her left him man and thing and run her through and take it through the window and left?
Yeah, man.
Jesus and peace.
And then she got...
And then what?
My car done.
Your car done, okay. And then she go do her quick.
Then she tell police, me say me go chop her up and sitting. And nothing no go, sir.
And nothing no go, sir. Gina and Chip, she cover. By telling police say you go chop her up, she hope say you not do her nothing. But big up yourself. Yeah. So you say sorry for my dog, you sing for her, no?
Yeah, man. You that talk about the fruit, you say you have sour orange and you have a bitter sweet in them and a bitter sweet in them. A swivel sweet in them.
Oh, swivel sweet. So sour orange and swivel orange are the same thing or are two different things?
Yeah, I two same orange, but one sweet, the one where name swivel sweet.
Swivel sweet. Okay, all right.
That one the sweet like orange.
Sweet like orange, and then you have the sour orange different?
Yeah, and that one the flavor sour orange, one is sweet.
And it's sweet. All right, then big up yourself here. Yo, Judah, Dippy General Jip going on the Jamaican archives a while ago, you know, man. Sorry for Magadog turn round bite you. Bombard, jump out a frying pan. You're bound for jump in a fire. Bombard! Yo, and what them artists I know about them tune, Jashi and Ding Dong and them. You need to know about them tune that me I tell you. Shensia, you talk about you gonna take it in a boat. And them tune you have know about. Okay. I'm just saying, me not judge people, you know, everybody have them life to live. And think, Shensia, big up yourself. Lady Sam, big up yourself here. All right. Spice, big up yourself. Jada Kingdom, big up yourself. Statius, big up yourself. Pampute, Al Fletcher's Land, massive, big up on yourself. Pinky down in Florida, Frank Baraga, love you, rate you. DL, my Southie Link, All Southie, big up yourself. Cloverly Road, Widows Lane, Blake Road. Right? Gold Street, Iowa Street. When you don't know the levels and thing, large upon yourself. West Kingston and thing, yeah. Spoilers massive, large up and thing. Lissant Road and thing. Tex Lane and thing. James Street. Smith Lane and elements, the large upon yourself. Whole family massive. Do so. Backagad. Big up all in a Backagad area. What we say? Yeah, large up. Yeah. Next call. No, so me feel nice in the night, yeah. Hello.
Hello?
Greetings, Wagwan.
Calling to sing a song about my ex.
You're calling for sing a song about one of your ex. Send on, make we hear it.
All right. Step aside now. Another man wants to take over. Because you don't know what you got. Well, now
you got to look.
Show you how to treat a woman.
Yeah. No, run it again, big tune. Jab at the berry step on it.
Now, another man wants to take over. Cause she don't know what you got. So now it's time to lose her.
Sure.
Step aside now. Let me show you how to treat a woman.
Big up yourself, that one about that thing or whatever. Yeah, large up and thing, your ex, all that one there.
Big up yourself, brother.
All right, enough blessings here. Choon for X, a big, hey, a bad berry starts to dry, you know. It's a bad berry starts to dry. Love and harmony berries. Big up yourself, man. Large up. Watch your right. Next caller. Hello.
Yeah, Raga.
Greetings.
Yeah, Raga.
Rrr.
Yeah, how you do, Raga? Everything good?
Why you're happy tonight? I miss the happiness there. Mad thing, no?
Man, you sound good, man. You sound. I would like to big up some people still in Jamaica, Spanish Town District Prison, New Hall. Man like Philip Welch, man like Coke. All them man down there in a Spanish Town prison. Yeah.
In the prison, in the prison.
Yeah, this tune here now. This tune here is for me sweetie, see?
That tune here for who? Hold on. That tune here for who?
For me sweetie, me sweetheart.
Your sweetheart. All right, me hear your sweetheart tune.
Yeah. You know that you're special, oh darling. You know, you're one of a kind, oh baby. You know that you're special, oh darling. You know, you're one of a kind, oh baby. I'm gonna take you out tonight. I'm gonna take you out tonight. I'm gonna take you out tonight. I'm gonna take you for dinner.
All right, then bless up here. Respect and thing and big.
Yeah.
Well, that's a call your sweetie name, no? If I hear a woman call her name.
She named Lindsay, you know, special lady, you know, one of a kind, you know.
Lindsay, well, Lindsay ends out. Bigger Lindsay from where?
From Long Island, yeah.
Lindsay from Long Island, the general sing a bad tune for you a while ago. So you know your ratings turn up because him call your name in a public. Why? All right, then large up here.
Yeah, man, respect.
All right. Yo, people, the thing named Choon for X. Choon for X, just call in and sing a tune for your ex. Call in and sing a tune for a ex, for one of your ex, if you have more than one ex. Yeah, all right? And just pick any tune where you think. Reflect how you think about your ex right now. Right? Okay, the number, if you call from New York or Connecticut, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. If you're calling from Jamaica, the number is as follows. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. All right? Ready now. Send on, Jordan. Work where I work. Greetings.
Yo, Rags.
Greetings.
Raga.
Yeah.
She gonna run down her shadow, but she not go catch it. She gonna run down her shadow, she not go catch it.
See it there?
Because man a shoot like an arrow, and the woman run there go like a sparrow.
All right, big up yourself in that one day. Yeah, man, big up yourself in that one day, you know. Classic tune.
Atronics, yes, sir. Atronics, rather.
All right, Tronics, big up yourself, man, and protection here. Yeah, man.
Lovely vibes.
Cool. Judah, classic him go a while ago, you know. Run down your shadow, you will never catch it. I will sing that, Judah. I will sing that. Who that song? Sing that song there again. You will run down your shadow, you'll never catch it. Next tune. I said a woman is like a shadow, and a man is like an arrow. Never let a woman know how much you love her. You don't know the song there? Or they will, Jordan don't know them song there, no. Or there, but listen to the advice, Jordan, hear what the man say. You hear the song say? Never let a woman know how much you love her. Listen to the next line. Or there will be no peace in your life. What I say? Yo, next call, say no. No, sir. Hello.
Night.
Yeah, good night.
I would like you and my sweetheart to be friends.
Oh,
but that's the only way your jealousy will end. For all
life. My sweetheart, you do not like. So that's the reason why you should be friends.
Well,
I feel that you should be her friend. Because she has to help you now and then. And I cannot understand how you want a whole man. Well, others have to borrow from their friends.
But tell me something now. You have to explain. What you mean with that one? How that one they're going to, since it's relevant to your ex? What did I go on this?
What did I go on what?
No. Why you sing that one there for your ex?
Because I want my sweetheart to be friend.
You want your ex to be friend with your sweetheart, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just want him to work with the thing, don't
you? understand?
Oh, me see what you say. So right now, you're there with your gentleman right now, but you still rate your ex certain way where you want to keep him in the picture. Yeah, but him for just kind of just hold him look a corner right there, so know him position. Right, that's and work with it. And so, well, you really want him friend with who you're there with right now, or you just want him to work with?
Yeah, I want him to be friend, yeah.
You want him to be friend?
Yes.
Me rotted. You know easy, you know, but you're reflecting the... No, you're...
No envy.
No envy, just work with it. After all, woman I work with it so long and think some man for start work with that something there now. No, all right, big up yourself here.
Big up yourself, sir.
Yeah, you have some classic them trying to do that, bad to that, you know. I would like you and my sweetheart to be friends, 'cause that's the only way the jealousy will end. Oh, man. Next call. I want to cuss a bad word, but we can't do it. Cardell Green and listen. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Good night, Ragashanti.
Wagwan. Yeah. Move. No, but no fear you no rain in the background when anybody call. Here?
Yeah. Good night.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're asking for a tune for the ex of the ex?
Yeah, man. Sing a tune for one of your ex, yeah.
When you left a man, you not take him back. He coulda come at your house, coulda we gonna knock. When him did have you, he shoulda know what to do. He shoulda be a good
jacket for sit down in your side. Don't ride again. Yo! When you left a man, you not take him back. Sing it again, oh, go. Him coulda beg her.
When you left a man, you not take him back. He coulda come at your house, coulda come and knock. When him did have you, he shoulda know what to do. He shoulda be a good race as sit down in your side.
No ride again. No more, man. All right, no more ride for the ex. No more ride for the ex. Don't take him back.
No more ride for the ex.
No more ride for the ex. That's what you the ex a draw back for you and want about the work, no?
That's Elizabeth Lakovia.
All right, then I say a word. I think that never answer my question, but we work with it. All right, blessings here.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, proper. Next call, Jordan. You work, you know. You're Ragashanti, you work, so you're busy, you know. And think, I know me like with you, Jordan. When you sit down at the chair, you know, move. Prezi will leave and go on about the business. You see that you stay right where you're there. Prezi! Jordan from Jordan, sit down in the chair. Don't move, Prezi. Stay about Prezi, who always a leave and go collect food. And always a leave and go out for all kind of something. And boy, you go in the bathroom with a little weak bladder where hot and spicy say, you see how Jordan sit down in the seat and don't move. And that you fi do. Stay about Prezi. Big up yourself. Me rate you see me and that you fi know. Now what you say, Prezi, me a defending. Nobody can't say nothing about boy. A straight war. Family. Next call. Hello. Yeah, caller. Oh, caller. Wait. Hello.
Hey.
Yeah, greetings. You ready for sing? You ready for sing a tune for your ex?
Respect.
Manners.
Yeah, man. Ready for sing, man. I need to talk, man. I don't fake talk, man. Brother, I'm me win the Dancehall game at Brooklyn, you know. So Professor knows on the show.
Well on. Something that make nice back here. We can't have that here. You should have known better, man. Come on, man.
Hold on.
Yeah. Just move it from it and make them turn it off. Quick. Quick. Hello. Yeah, caller.
Yeah, I'm there, Raga.
So what you say? Are you did win the Dancehall game? Which Dancehall? Oh,
yes, man. Me, man. I book a professional show, man. I say, boy, you know, give me the prize, you know.
No, man. Hold on, man. I know what you talk about the Jamaica Family Fund Day, don't?
Yes, and I mean, all that they can't the ball for me.
No, man. Hold on. Big up the promoter for the Jamaica Family Fund Day, you know. G, yeah. People of Brooklyn, big up G, and big up him restaurant. Every year him keep it and him say, Raga, Now what? Hey, are the only man keep event and whatever now for give me the deposit? The only man. Nobody else try that with me. Nobody else try that with me. G are the only man keep event and thing. I mean, no money see, but don't ever worry about nothing. Lock him there. All right.
Raga, I want to get a joke, Raga. I want to get a joke, Raga. See you?
Yeah.
I big you up now. See, and yellow?
Yeah,
yellow from IrieJam and everybody. I love with them. And I'm a real man. Because my sister, you do your thing. You're decent.
What up?
I'm going to sing a song on the ex. Because
yeah, man. Sing a song for your ex.
I'm an ex, you know?
Yeah, for your
I'm
ex.
an ex, but shit. All right, then.
Yeah, keep it clean. Yeah.
Oh, good. Yeah, keep it clean and jiggy, because them kill Tupac and Biggie, all right?
Yeah, man.
I mean, them jigger, the girl, the multi-millionaire figure. You hear me, sir?
Yeah, man. Rinse.
All right. Okay. Girl, I want to be with you. Give you my heart, my soul. Girl, give you everything in my heart, my whole. You want to take advantage of me, but no, I'm with someone new. You want to come back to me. Ex, your ex can come with me. You can rock my step. Oh, girl, stay for me. I got someone to love me, care for me, and share for me, and always there for me.
Man. All right, Papa. All right. Now say a word.
You're a real man, you're a real man, Raga.
Go some general. Big up yourself here, sir. All right, then. Boom.
Yeah, man. Jigga, man. Jigga to the world.
Jigga who win the Dandy. Yeah. Big up yourself. All right, then. Cool. Next call, Jordan. Send on. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You hear myself judgment, you know.
One time. Go in a time ago. Just sing it through now.
If I had to live my life without you near me, my days would all be empty, and my nights will seem so long. Without you, I see you so clearly. I might have lived with you before, but I never felt this strong. So come with me and share of you. Hold me like you ever do. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing gonna change my
love for you.
So all those men know much. Remember it, but for the girl of the little Carol Pop Map. You know.
All right, now say a word, man. But you see, like a game like this now, you should have just go right into the chorus. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask some more. At the punchline, we want. Big up yourself, do it here. Next call. Hello. Greetings.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. One time, rinse.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you, man. Send on the tune. For your ex. Stop listening to radio and just tell that do what you for doing on the phone. Next call, Jordan. In my gears. Next call. Hello? One on the call, you know, don't listen to the radio because one of them wait for ear on yourself and the thing no work, so it's a delayed broadcast. And one of them wait on a whole up issue. All right? Next call. Caller, hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings. Choon for X. Send on.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, man, we hear you. Send on.
All right. Choon for X.
Yeah.
I love her and her love me. We are going to build a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss coming from me. I love her like a loving tree.
Oh, all right, then we work with it because we know what I want the bass man. You don't know where bass man, Jordan? This soul man, he play knick-knack on my dam with a knick-knack. Wally give a dog a bone. So him say, I love her, she love me, we're in one big family. And she clean the toilet and me clean the kitchen. And she love me look more when me cook her dumpling. I just made that up, the two last line. Okay. No, sir. A mad people thing. Lana, big up yourself. And big up the people over Spring Garden Restaurant, Panam, Springfield Boulevard, who always treat me good when I go over there. Big up the people over Spring Garden Restaurant, who always treat me good. Big up Lana and her seafood over there and thing. Lana, me not lie. Lana, you hand good. The way you hand good when you cook seafood, me don't know, but I wonder why you... Lana, the way your seafood good. The way you hand good when you cook the seafood. January, but I want you to do something with my lobster. I'm just saying. Lana, come hold my lobster. Come hold the big claw. We can't bother, you know. Next call. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Robert, I call you call back.
Yeah, man, I sing that Yellow Man song, you know?
All right, sing another Yellow Black. I try you in a Robert. Quick.
I'm getting married in the morning.
All right, I eat that, Donna. Good.
Down here, the church bell.
All right, let go that now, Robert. Okay, cool. Next call. Robert, come and sing, but I'm getting married in the morning. Yo, Robert think him an artist now. Robert think him an artist now. I say, yo, Rock, I'm ready for a Yellow Man right here now. Yo, yes, Carl, I want one.
Where I go?
Yeah, greetings.
What I going on? What I going?
You know, some day I tell you some auntie, I'm happy like, whoa, I'm if to tell you.
That's what's up.
Yeah. All right.
Raga.
Yeah.
You want me to sing my song now?
You want to sing a
song? Them not like me, I mean not like that, huh?
Yeah, you want to sing a song for your ex. Go in it right now. Sing it now. Sing it out nice and loud. Nice and loud.
Them not like me, I mean not like them. Them are me enemy, me and them not friends. Them not like me, I mean not like them.
Yo, you don't like them not like you, and you don't like them either. Because they know so you're done with them. Oh, that go? Oh, that go?
Them not like me, them not like me, I mean not like them.
Hey!
Them are me enemy.
You and them no friend. Done with them, big chum.
That's right.
All right, big up yourself here. All right, then, bless up yourself, big tune for your ex. Okay, you're done with them. Them not like you, you don't like them either. All right, blessings here. Next call, Jordan, we are working. Hello, Sanan.
Hey, yo, Raga.
Yeah.
My wife a malfunction. She just lose her man. Pamela catch him and I carry him. Pamela says she not share him. My wife a malfunction. Yeah. She just lose her man.
Yeah. Yeah, the Louis culture you sing, no?
I won't her catch her and I carry her.
Yeah. Gotta catch him and I carry him. But if you yourself not share him, girl think she bad and come near him, then she woulda know who carry him. Whoa! All right then.
Malfunction.
Yeah, man, big up yourself here, sir. Now say a word, man, big tune. Yeah. My artist that Louis Culture, Gangali. Them for know Wildman Street, large up. Dexter, big up yourself in a teacher laws. All right, next call, send on. Hello, next call. Stop listening to the radio. Talk. Call. Sing a song for your ex, send on, yeah. Well on. Move her from the radio. We are hear some background noise. We don't need to hear that. Come on.
Hold on.
Yeah. Quick. Quick, no man. And people want to call in. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
One.
Hey, girl, why do you lie to me? Gotta take my dignity, girl. Why do you lie to me? Make me crying my pillow at night, holding it tight. Wanna make you feel a vibe, I got it. Oh, girl, why do you lie to me? Make my heart beating so dearly. Know that you're going with someone else. You wish you would be with me. I got someone to care for me. Hey, girl, why do you lie to me? Make my heart this misery. I can't live without you. I can't do without you. I talk about you, my sleep at night.
All right, then bless up, man, auntie. Yeah. Blessings, auntie.
Big up yourself. I mean, Ragashanti, Dancehall contest.
Well, are you called back again?
I mean, why not? I'm supposed to come up part of IrieJam family.
All right, then. All right. Respect. Are you in the Dancehall contest? All right, then. Cool. Yo, you know some modern times now do that. Judah, you know some modern times now. When a Jamaica man can call radio like a gangster thugs and say, yo, Raga, I want one. Original man in the place, you know. Oh, what, them for know, say, me win the Dancehall contest. In general, easy. Hold on, are you call back? Yeah, man, I mean call back, man. I mean see man call back. Oh, you mean? Them for no. I mean when the dandish on the contest. Man, a general in this. Real gangster. Gangster win the dandish on the contest. Yo, a different time we know, man. A different time we know. When some man can call in and say them a gangster. Because of them win the dandish on the context. Okay, next thing you know, somebody will call in and say, yo, Raga, I want me to you. I'm going to talk about him win the dandish on the contest. Yo, I mean win the jacks contest. Okay, right? I mean the kick for jacks round you. Yeah? I don't know about jacks. Yeah, I mean win the jacks contest. I want to go on. Eh? Yeah, somebody come in and say, yeah, I mean win the yo-yo contest. What you know about? Yeah. Anyway, what? One more, send on. Are you run the thing in the Jordan? I want to you. Hello. Yeah, I want to them people that call and listen. Yeah, man, tell when you call, you listen to the phone. Yeah, what go on? Yeah. Choon Ph.D.
Yeah, Shanti.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to both have the system Rex, you know?
Yeah, but not really hear the call, I hear.
You're not here.
Yeah, all right. Well, yeah, sing your tune quick. Send on.
All right, here I want to. Dennis Brown one.
Yeah.
Now, from those that you're not smart, how you say goodbye, and now you say, baby, don't do it. Don't break your own heart, even though I give you another chance. Oh, girl. Even though I give you another chance.
Back. Big tune from the Crown Prince of Reggae music. Dennis Emmanuel Brown. All right. Big up yourself here, caller. All right. Next call, Jordan. We'll come down to the over, you know. Next call. Hello.
My turn now.
Eh?
Hear the flute of one just now.
Now you loot
rather have bad times with you than good time with someone else. I'd rather be alone in the dark, but sitting all by myself. I'd rather have hard time together than to have it easy apart. I'd rather have the one who holds my heart.
Hey. Well on, my general. It sounds like you that they back with your ex right now, don't? Eh? All right, him draw the big bad looter. I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else. You know, so I never agree with that, though. I not agree with that something there, you know. I know what it mean, you know. I know what it mean, but, you know, I want them something that where, you know, I know what it mean. I may not be unnecessarily academic about the thing, but I just say, you know. But anyway. Hello. Next call. Hello, Choon.
Hello.
Yeah, greetings, Choon. Hey, yo, hello. Bounty kill attack. Send her. Caller. Yeah, man. Choon Ph.D. Send her. Caller, send on.
You freeze up my tune, man.
Me freeze up your tune?
I am in.
All right, we're here you now. Send on now. Sing it now.
You don't want it for the X.
Yeah.
Great shower round. Girls every day. From London, Canada, and USA. And we say girls every day. You get that part there?
I think at the chorus they did want to sing. Say, you have a trailer load of girl, don't have want to take off. That you did want to sing, though?
Yeah.
Oh, so you tell your ex, say, you know miss her because you have a trailer load of woman, don't it? I look you, don't?
In a real life.
In a real life, she fi do it. She fi know that, no, in a real life, no. Okay.
I mean, Ragashanti, she fi know that, my boy.
You're not dead over. No, look at one woman and think when you have a trailer load of woman, I think a draft for you, don't? Don't it? Oh, all right, my general, big up yourself here.
That's that word, my boy.
Yeah, mad thing. All right, Choon Ph.D. next call. Okay, remember to remind you the number. If you call from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you're calling from New York or anywhere in the United States or Canada, the number is as follows. Toll free, New York, the United States or Canada, 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. You're in tune to Ragashanti Live right just upon the IrieJam Radio in New York and also on the Bridge 99 in Jamaica. And just want you to know that every Friday night with the right just so upon IrieJam Radio from 9 o'clock until 12 midnight every Friday night. So make sure you want to tune in and lock in right yes for Ragashanti Live every Friday night from 9 p.m. until 12 p.m. If you're listening on the Bridge 99 FM, just want to remind you that I'm on the Bridge 99 FM Mondays, Wednesdays, and of course at this time, Jamaica time though. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays on the Bridge 99 FM. And of course, that is from 9 o'clock Jamaica time until 11 o'clock on Mondays and Wednesdays, 9 until 11 on Mondays and Wednesdays, and of course on Friday nights in Jamaica on the Bridge 99 FM, it's from 8 p.m. until 11 p.m. 8 p.m. until 11 p.m. So again, I'm on the Bridge 99 FM, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. On Mondays and Wednesdays, it's from 9 o'clock, and on Fridays, it's from 8 o'clock, and that is Jamaica time. Of course, when I'm on the Bridge 99 FM, anywhere you are in the world, you can hear Ragashanti Live with yours truly. That would be me. Of course, it's branded with me, namesake program. So the thing set, Ragashanti Live. You can listen anywhere in the world on the IrieJam 360 app, the IrieJam 360 app, or on the bridge99fm.com. Bridge99fm.com, bridge99fm.com, or on the IrieJam 360 app, where you can watch me on the video or just listen to the audio. Okay, also I want to remind you that on Thursday afternoons at 1 p.m. on Ragashanti TV on YouTube, Thursday afternoons at 1 p.m. on Ragashanti TV on YouTube, you have a thing named Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show with yours truly, me, Ragashanti, Miss Cherry Washbelly. Again, every Thursday afternoon from 1 p.m. until 5 p.m. at the realest Jamaican talk show upon YouTube with yours truly, me, Ragashanti, from 1 p.m. That's U.S. time, which is 12 noon Jamaica time. All right, we have a thing named Choon for X, so that's with that one. We will break it, boss, we will break. We're so forward.
Close your eyes and listen. Always setting trends.
IrieJam FM, New York.
Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live.
Juggle, we are juggling down in that thing, and right now we have about 12 minutes to go, right? I know that thing, I name Choon for X. Choon for X. All right, we're not eating a lot of time ago, right? I know we're sure soon done that thing. Next call. Send another call to Jordan. Hello.
Hey, Raga.
You're there on Bluetooth or earpiece?
Yeah, me on an earpiece. All right, I'm take it off.
Come on, five, please, and talk quick.
Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, been here. Yeah.
Send out the tune now.
Yeah, man. Tune for your ex. Rinse.
Me princess gone far, far away, and she left me, I know, and she gone to stay. Raga, boom.
Yeah. What you say? You miss your princess, though. Jam here, sir. My princess gone. Far, far away. Bombard. You miss her, no. Yo. Well, I know. If your ex a listen right, you know, make a talk for you get her back. If your ex a listen, make a talk for you get her back. Talk.
Well, me glad me the far from the present one, you know.
You glad to hear the far?
Still in my mind.
Cause the ex still in your mind, though.
In my mind.
Oh dear, oh God. Well on, you ever do it with the present one and I think about your ex?
Oh, you mean?
For real?
If you talk me, Raga.
Well on, so sometimes when you do it with the present one, you think about the ex?
Same way.
Oh, Jano. Big and serious, and keep it real. If your ex draw back for you right, you know, you'd have left the present one?
No, sir, we have to play the game. The game we have to play now.
Oh, cause you now left a present one and thing.
Can we go get left again?
Cause you, okay. Cause your ex me go left you again.
Which is right.
Okay, but if she draw back for you, do wanna dash it out pan your door, you go take it door down.
How you mean?
Oh, okay.
I forgot about the other man.
Okay, well on. Your ex, has she named Christina Brown Sugar?
No way I thought about that.
No.
You don't say I mix up. No.
I mix up. No, big up yourself here with General. Protection here. All right then. Respect, cool. Next call, Jordan. No, sir, the show is sweet tonight. Greetings. Hello.
I don't want to hear it. No more fussing and fighting, girl. Just hold me tight. Let bygones be bygones. Let's think about tomorrow, 'cause our future's bright. I know I done wrong, and I was just a fool, too blind to see you was the only girl for me. And now I see the light. Everything gonna be alright, girl. Just hold me tight. You know I love you. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum, ba-ba-bum, ba-dum, bum. That one.
So you miss your ex?
No. He sent that to me. It wasn't me that requested that to him.
Oh, him send that to you?
Oh. Yeah, he sent me the video clip of the Johnny Nash video. And
Jesus and peace. Saying that sister dead him dead over here and want you back. Eh?
Yeah, but a long time we broke up, so we not really looked at it like that.
No, long time you broke up, but are you have the forget me not? Are you have the Afi come back? Are you have the Afi Tanya, so? Are you have the care forget the address?
Yeah, we know that long time, but him never know it at the time.
How no know the use I'm tail until him lose it, don't it? Right. See, all right, big up yourself here.
All right,
yeah, man, blessings, man. Man thing, next call. No, sir. Yo, Senan. Greetings.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you, man. You have a tune for your ex?
Yeah, man, it's our original one, you know?
Okay, make we hear it.
When I did need you in my world, it didn't show me that you care. Now my life has changed. Now I'm rearranged. I got to let you know I got to move on with my life. I did really love you so, but baby, you hurt me so. Don't wanna cry no more. No, only nights. Don't wanna, yeah. Don't need no logs of love, no girls that move. And a cover, she have to move, we're clever. Stick to Mr. School like birds of a feather. I'm no false pretender, rather surrender. To portray that I shine a girls with quality and good character. Those girls are my heart desire, yeah. No, I didn't need you in my world, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, mad thing. I'm just want a big respect here, for just, because you write that tune there and thing, and you make her know so she didn't make you cry and thing. She didn't really make you ball for you and thing when they broke up, did go on down.
Yeah, man, I tell you, all them things about no man have to stay strong still, because you have to look on the positive side of life,
Yeah, I mean, you have nothing for shame of this, because I tell you when I did younger to a woman, they left me, I make my ball, I walk up and down on Waterloo Road past Devon House, and think on Hope Road a ball, and think in a rain, that time rain a fall hard, and I don't even notice the rain, but that thing say, I be a sun a shine, the way that my head did that take me and all these things, and my brother, them have to pull them, and them have to say, yo, General, who you walking on the road barefoot on a ball, so in the rain and thing or whatever, so nothing wrong with that here. Big up yourself here. All right, then. All right. Yeah. What you say, Jordan? One more? We're good. All right, people. We just want to say enough respect to the item, man. This was just like so much fun. This was so much fun. And this is what I do. And again, I like to refer to this. I mean, this is a mix-up show, but it's also a lifestyle and culture show. And things like that. It's an entertainment show. Wants a big respect to the people who get it. You understand? And who enjoy it, who appreciate it, and who don't focus on being critical and thing and come with a luggage and a baggage and all them something. And just enjoy the thing. All right, one more call. Just one more. Hello.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
This is Black Star.
Okay, Black Star, you have a tune for your ex?
Yeah, me have a tune for my ex.
All
And
right.
it go like this.
Yeah.
Me used to sleep with this long tall man. Now me I sleep with this short one. Me have to tell my friend them say this is my song. Lego the bona man. Lego the bona man. Lego the bona man. Hold on for your husband. Husband no janko. Him a eagle. What the bona man? Him a janko. Him a janko. Husband a eagle. Whoa.
Well, sing that one more time. Sing it one more time. One more time. Sing it again. One more time.
Me used to sleep with this long tall man. Now me I sleep with this short one. Me have to tell my friend, this is my song. Easter come me a Lego the bona man. Lego the bona man. Lego the bona man. Hold on for me husband. Bona man a janko. Husband a eagle. Bona man a janko. Husband a eagle. Lego the eagle. Lego the eagle.
Well, what your name? What your name?
My name Valerie.
Valerie, a.k.a.
Black Star.
Black Star. So what you say?
Yeah.
Husband Bonamana Jankro. Bonamana Jankro. Husband Lego the eagle. Lego the eagle. Free up the eagle. Sing that part there again. Sing that part there again for the eagle. Sing the eagle part.
Bonamana Jankro. Husband eagle. Lego the eagle. Lego the eagle. Lego the eagle. Lego the eagle.
Lego the eagle. Lego the eagle. Free up the eagle. Lego the eagle. Fly out and thing and whatever. Thing. Bonamana Jankro. All right, Valerie, big up yourself. Black Star, Valerie. Okay, all right. Okay. That tune there, man, tune that, you know. People, on occasions, we have had the opportunity to be witness to some pioneering achievements that others did not have the luxury of experiencing. I would like to respectfully submit to you that we just had one such experience. What you just heard was a seminal song, one that will last for years to come. When you hear a classic, you know a classic. And that one just now was an immediate hit. I want to appreciate the hook, you know. Lego the eagle, Bonamana Jankro, husband a eagle, Lego the eagle, free up the eagle, Mixup, what you don't know, free up the eagle, Lego the eagle, why? Valerie Black Star, big up yourself, a big tune that tune the bad, Lego the eagle, free up the eagle, why? I see that little tune, I'll catch Judah in a rock over there. A big tune. Taurus Riley, don't bad mind the tune. Barry Salmon, don't bad mind the tune. Christopher Mann, don't bad mind the tune. All right, Morgan Heritage, just cool, man, and don't bad mind it. Lego the eagle. Bonamana Janko, husband a eagle. Lego the eagle. Wow. People, yo, take care of yourself. It's been real. Take care of yourself. Enough blessing. All TamFamers, big up. Once enough respect to Vinny and Barbsy and Glow for the roll through. Judah, large up yourself. Jordan, thanks, you know. And Jordan is staying at the chair the whole time. Prezi. Jordan staying at the chair from start till finish. Prezi Jordan staying on the chair from start till finish. Him never get up and go away. People, take care of yourself. One thing, and do remember, I'll be back on Monday on the Bridge 99 FM at 9 o'clock Jamaica time. And think blessings and respect and think. And spread the word about the Bridge 99 FM. Spread the word. Tell them say over here so it there. I hear so the thing there, all right? And do remember, so Ragashanti there up on the Bridge 99 FM Monday night and Wednesday night from 9 o'clock, and on Friday night from 8 o'clock. On the Bridge 99 FM, and of course on Friday night we're there upon IrieJam Radio from 9 o'clock until 12 midnight. Take care of yourselves, people, and do remember, lock in for my thing over YouTube, and it's a Ragashanti TV channel, Again, the channel is called Ragashanti TV and also TamFam TV. Again, Ragashanti TV and TamFam TV. Just go over there, subscribe. Just click the subscribe button on both channels and also click the bell that you see over there for notification. Take care, sir. People want to thank you for your support. Thank you for having fun with me tonight. Thank you for, take care of you and yours and all them things and whatever. And we don't want to say look at stress and challenges out there, but don't let them overwhelm you, all right? Laugh, learn, and grow. That is the motto I live by, and I invite you to do the same. Take care of yourself, people. Enough blessings and respect and thing. And big up my mama, see me, Miss Cherry. Mad thing. Outer road. Okay!
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Go to bed.
Ragashanti live.